Guys.
Hey guys, and then we're on.
We're here. Oh, I'm going to change my shirt. I actually brought a shirt and I forgot to put it on.
So, hey guys.
Should we move the camera over there?
I don't think they want that.
Hey, it's X-Men. Hi.
Hi Carter. Hi SX.
Okay. I'm out.
Oh, okay. You got one of the fancy ones.
Oh.
Now you have to present this to the people.
Serial killers, parallel killers.
That one's good. I like
okay, so yeah, we're on.
Not so nice not to have a hurricane this week.
Oh,
you were
right.
in Florida, mate.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Yeah, Chris. Good evening, my friend.
It missed the Canaries at least.
Yeah. Well, we're actually on the same latitude, just north of Miami.
Yeah.
About 60 miles north. So we're on the same latitude as Florida, but we don't have the hurricanes. We have a very similar climate, but drier and not as...
we actually were lucky this time because it went up towards Spain instead. It actually, the strong winds hit Spain and Sweden.
Well, for the killers. Thank you, Dad, for getting me the t-shirt.
Oh, this is one of the things.
Yeah, you're okay, right? SX64.
Yeah, I think he is.
Yeah. And that can't be fun, really. And it happens so often in the US, unfortunately.
No, we don't get them hurricanes.
No, we do get very strong. We had hurricane force winds
a few years ago. Yeah, about once every 12 or 15 years.
Yeah, then it rips off the roofs. But considering the quality of the roofs here, I guess the wind.
The roofs then probably land on Florida.
Yeah, they're so bad.
With a few immigrants sitting
on
them.
We can send them over there.
Yeah, that's
They have more space than here.
So, yeah, other than the weather, and the weather's good here now.
Paul T is a serial killer.
He is,
with milk.
Cereal with milk.
Oh,
good evening, Marcel. Hi. Yeah, Carter, me too. I never seen a tornado. Yeah, doesn't happen over in Germany.
No.
No.
Yeah.
I've actually I've seen them in two places, actual cyclones or tornadoes.
Yeah, real.
One was in Cancun in Mexico, the second time I went, and the palm trees go flat.
Yeah.
And the other one was in Hong Kong, which we were leaving on the night it hit, and we were one of the last planes to actually get out before they closed the airport.
Oh, okay.
And that was a tropical cyclone, and that's crazy stuff.
I haven't seen a big scale one, but I have seen sea funnels a lot.
Okay, Dutch says there's 3 tornadoes in the Netherlands. That's new, right? I think there was some in Germany back in the days, but this is a new development. Yeah, so gladly we don't have any climate catastrophe.
Highland dog.
Okay.
Hi dog, hey.
Enough about the weather then. So,
yeah, come on, yeah.
Right, so, first thing first. I did a little review of this thing.
Oh, you did the review, I don't see it.
And I was... 2 people commented. One person wanted to know how much ripple there is on the output.
I think the people don't know what you're holding there.
Okay. Yeah, I pulled it up, so they know.
Ah, okay, that you did.
Yeah.
So for the people who didn't see the review, maybe you want to talk to them what this is, because from
Okay, so this is a portable bench power supply, programmable. So you can connect a PD power supply to it. I use this 100 watt PD, but this will take up to 150 watts. Okay.
Oh, okay.
This will up to 0 to 30 volts, but to get 30 volts out, you need to put 30 volts in.
Okay, so it's
a step down. It's not a step
down,
up. But on the back, if you look, we have a connection for the USB-C under your thumb, and we also have a connection for a jack.
Yeah. Okay, so you can put in
and there's a switch for either way, PD or DC. Yeah.
So to make life easy though, I was running it on this. So
it's a fancy DC to DC converter. Yeah, absolutely.
It is.
Exactly what
it is. But it's variable voltage and variable current, and it's very accurate.
It's accurate, okay. That makes it worth the money.
I measured it. And it
okay, so could you explain the extra USB port right here?
Yes, you can connect it to a PC.
Okay.
And then some PC software. I showed that on the review.
Okay, you did that. Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
So we have here now
0 amp, 0 volts.
So to start it, no, look, it says here it's set to 5 volts, 5 amps, yeah?
Yeah.
I can't do it looking at the screen because it's all back to front. 5 volts,
No,
5
sorry.
amps.
Yeah.
You simply look at the big screen.
Yeah, 5 volts, 5 amps.
Yeah.
But at the moment it's not running, so you press the start button.
But even
It's running now.
yeah, it has 5 volts but no amps because no connection.
Yeah, so we connect some leads to it. Do you like how these light up?
Yeah.
Ooh,
That's actually-
fancy. Look at this. This
Completely useless but cool.
Well, they put this as anti-reverse connection indication or something like that.
Oh,
I call this
okay.
colourful LEDs.
Yeah, pretty much.
I call it. It's worth an extra euro for that.
Yeah, a couple even.
And we can short it. We can short it now.
5 amps, are you sure?
Yeah, short it.
Okay.
What do you see?
No, I meant for the wires, I'm not
Well,
that thick.
I wondered again. So it's now gone down to 0.22 volt. Obviously, it's on constant current. 5
Yeah,
amps.
okay, yeah.
So obviously the voltage is 5 amps.
Yeah, 1 watt. That won't hit up.
Yeah, because the voltage has
Yeah.
dropped. But if we connect a resistor to it, like say a 5 ohm resistor,
Yeah, then it will hit up a lot.
that will hit up.
The resistor then, not the wires.
Resistor.
Let's hope.
If the wires sit up, we have a problem.
Well, what do we got?
Okay, so what I don't like, these are banana plugs, right?
I think
Okay,
so. Yeah,
there's
4 mil banana.
There's a 4.7 ohm resistor. So this should give
Ooh.
just over an amp.
Yeah.
Just over an amp it should now give. Into the resistor. Yeah, look.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
Almost spot
exactly.
on.
Now that might warm up a bit.
Yeah, it
5
should.
watts.
Paul says a micro B should allow you to power the device without consuming some of the source voltage. You probably mean the USB PD. You probably
Yeah,
mean,
it gets hot
yeah.
really fast.
And yeah,
Well, it's a 10
I
watt
think
resistor.
that.
Oh, okay, yeah, then
But
it takes
no,
some time.
it doesn't. Cause look at the input, Paul. It says input 20 volts, so it told the PD supply to bring it to 20 volts, and it probably didn't do the smart thing here, because the smart thing would have been to tell the PD supply go to 5 volt.
Yeah, because it needs 5
Yeah,
volts.
or say 9 volts to have some.
No,
leeway
it doesn't.
there.
It doesn't change it.
Yeah.
And I noticed with a 19.87 volts in, you can get about 19.77 volts out. It's only about 0.1 of a volt is the minimum drop, and it regulates.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah.
So look, yeah, but we were talking about Ripple, and probably we're going to do this.
That's exactly what we're going to do right now. So let's get a scope
Yeah.
and let's see how much ripple there is.
Yeah.
And the second thing, once we've done that, is we're going to connect it on with a 5 amp load and leave it for the duration of the broadcast and see if it blows up.
Okay, yeah.
Because somebody says, "Oh, yeah, it's all right."
Sacrificial power supply.
Yes. I quite like this little thing because it's meant to be portable. The display is great.
Cherry coke.
Yeah. So for testing components on a car.
Well, for short finding.
I like it.
Short finding.
Oh yeah, right. That works.
Well, oh, so wrong camera. What you could do,
What
you
did
say
this-
PD capable power bank, and then you have a portable power supply.
Yeah.
What did this cost?
Well, they're about $60, but there's a special offer on them at the moment. So
Okay, 60.
40 something
not,
maybe.
Not that bad. I built something similar.
Well, I think it's a bit overpriced.
Yeah.
Well, it has a fancy screen and all. but-
Okay.
Yeah, mine cost
Ask
15. It has a screen.
Ask the Swarm Intelligence how much these are now on
Yep.
offer. And let me get-
Built or built. I bought a module that takes 30 something volts in and regulates down as well.
Connect that to it.
Yep.
Volts. And read the voltage coming out of it.
Okie dokie. See this on?
So that's saying it's 5.00.
Yeah.
Put the-
Put a thermal camera on when it's running low to see whether
Yeah,
it
we
sinks the heat.
Yeah, we can do that.
Look how accurate that is.
That's not bad.
5.004.
Yeah, it doesn't have the decimal point it's actually showing, so yeah.
Well, this is what it should do. So I wouldn't be surprised.
no.
I wouldn't be surprised that it does this.
No, but I have had power supplies, the big ones.
Yeah,
that
Kathy,
actually
I
are
think the
off.
same. It would have been a built-in battery pack. That would be great.
This
yeah.
would run off a battery pack.
Yeah, it would, but you
Because
need an
it's got a
external one.
It's
for
got a
that.
DC jack.
You
That was
should
built
have it
in.
Internally.
Yeah. It also has built-in memory. So if I go to position 4, that is set 5 volts, 1.8 amps.
Crawl in there.
Okay.
What else did I program into it? 5 volts, 1 amp as a default.
So, 6, 7, yeah.
I only programmed 1 or 2 positions.
that-
1 volt, 5.1 amps. So that's great for short finding.
Yeah.
Again, if it's on 1 volt, let's just start it. So when you change the setting here, you have to start it again. I suppose that's like to make sure that you want to start it. What's it look what it's reading now? So I'd say it's set to 1.00, 1.0079.
Yeah. So it is accurate
Again,
at least.
this is what I would
It's,
expect.
you should.
It's okay, yeah.
Especially for 60 euros.
Can
For
you
60
guys,
euros, I would expect it.
Yeah.
I think it's cheaper than that.
And as Paul says,
Yeah.
I'm with Paul here, for 60 euros, I would expect another digit.
Yeah, true.
Of course.
Okay, I agree there.
Yeah.
Okay, well, you guys get a oscilloscope off the shelf there. Everybody wants to see how much ripple there is.
Which one do you want to have?
Just give me one.
The main question should be how many do you want to have?
What a dilemma. He has too many
Is it fine,
oscilloscopes.
or do you want a different one?
This one's fine.
We have the thing with the.
Yeah, okay, give me that one.
You only need one channel, yeah.
Yeah,
And this has a.
and it has the big leads instead of the mini ones. I actually prefer these old BNC connectors over the small new mini BNCs.
I wish I had a problem, yeah.
Yeah, I have
This is
one.
getting out of hand, I tell you.
Yeah, no, there is a 1, 2, 3 there.
Yeah.
Then there's 3 more back there, or 4.
Yeah, you want to have the second PC going? Rich?
I'm just looking to see how much these
Okay.
are while you do that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Gregson, this is $199 Canadian dollars on Furnace IE shop.
199.
Yeah, but Canadian dollars.
So
I see it as $60.
That's
Yeah.
about 60. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's probably right. Where is the on-off? Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, the hardware on off. Yeah,
Yeah.
this is a nice one.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
Okay,
Battery empty?
I'm looking now. So yeah,
Seems like it.
This is live.
Not working. Okay, then the mini contact it is.
okay, I see it at €57, so about the same price again.
And it needs to be charged. The charge port is on the side.
Can you switch to my screen a moment?
I can switch to your screen.
57 euros.
Yeah, so I see €57. That's with derivative Spain. That's with the 21%.
Hey, just here.
Yeah.
My friend.
That includes 21% VAT, so we get 21% off that because you don't pay the VAT. So we get about
Okay, this one is
€11 off that. So about 46 here.
46.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anybody who's not in the EU would pay about 46.
Yeah.
That's okay. That's okay.
It's not bad.
Or you can buy it with the power supply and everything. The one they shipped to me was this version with just the leads without the power supply. I think it's pricey if you need a power supply, but if you've already got a suitable supply, and bear in mind you can connect it to any sort of DC supply that's got a jack on the back. It's
Okay,
handy.
do you have the load?
Well,
Can we, do we run it without a load?
we're
first?
running without a load. Let's have a look at the open circuit ripple. Okay,
Yep.
so there we go. We can switch cameras.
I'm just going to push auto, I guess.
Press auto.
You want to have AC coupling for this?
Yeah, we are on DC right now. Okay, how do
AC/DC.
Oh, there we go. There, AC. It actually auto-detected AC.
Okay, now can you... this increases the vertical resolution. What we on now? 50...
0. What? Oh yeah, 100.
Okay, well first of all, are we on the 10 times or 1 time scope?
1 times on the scope.
Okay, well it's 10, right, it's 1 times on the probe now as well.
Now it is, yeah.
Can we see any noise?
5 volts, go lower, 2 volts.
50 millivolts. Oh, we have a bit of ripple. 50 millivolts.
Okay, I can't go lower with this.
Okay, guys, this is without any load, so this is open circuit, which simply don't draw any current.
So that's pretty good.
Yeah, I would expect that.
Yeah, so without any current, yeah, it's fine.
It's saying RMS noise about 1 millivolt.
Yeah. But,
And the frequency is kind of like in the kilohertz.
yeah, it's
So,
about
sorry when we forget some people. Hey, Light Runner, good evening.
3 to 7
Greg says
kilovolts.
also the jacks on the device
yeah,
do not
kilohertz,
fit Pomona test leads. The jacks are further apart. I never heard. Forgive my ignorance. I don't know what Pomona test leads are, but yeah, I'm with a little voltage, with a lower voltage, I'm fine with open contacts. But normally I'd say, well,
I don't know what that is either, actually.
Well, let's put a bit of load on.
Yep.
Okay, so we don't need the multimeter
No,
anymore.
we can remove the multi. I just had it there.
Well, it's okay. I can get hold of this as well.
You guys are sure this is on? Doesn't you need to press on or something?
Oh!
Oh no, it's run. Okay, I see run. I see run. Okay, sorry.
It's running.
It was
it's running.
running. It's on run.
Yeah, no. I saw the voltage.
You're all tangled up here.
Yeah. Give me a sec.
Carlos is in a knot.
Yeah. There we go. I stabbed myself. Yeah, awesome.
Okay, so let's have a look at what we have. Oh, you haven't stabbed yourself already, have you?
Yeah, I did.
Actually, that's bad. You stabbed yourself quicker in the previous episode.
Yeah.
Must do better. So this is now put the load on. So what's the current on it now?
We don't have the ground clamp on.
Okay, I need to give it a bit more voltage.
Yeah, give me a sec here.
The ground clamp on.
Okay, yeah, there was something.
So I'm 1 volt output.
I see these little spikes. This is really weird. See this?
Well, you're saying voltage picked as big as 40 odd millivolts.
Well, okay, this is 200 mil at 1 volt.
Okay, let me just choose a higher output voltage. Let me go again.
Go to 10 volts or so.
Yeah, 10 volts would work.
That's about
Now you got an amp. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's on constant current set to 1 amp. That's why we've got 4.71. It's gone to 1 amp.
If that's accurate, it's not bad.
I've set the current at 1 amp. We've got 1 amp.
Okay.
4.17.
Yeah.
Let's go
Go up.
So if we go to here, now let me just remember how to work this thing. Right, here we go. Yeah, so we come across, and we turn the output voltage up. So we're on 19 volts, 19.79 now, yeah?
Okay, so
And we can go to the current here. And we go up. 5 amps, yeah?
Yeah, that's the max.
That's the max.
Yeah, you can't do more.
So it's got 19.02 coming in and 18.69 going out.
Okay, so our
And it's now drawing 3.8.
I-
Oh, somebody's smoking.
Yep.
Camera. Camera.
Gotcha.
Resistor.
The resistor's smoking.
And it's burning now. Okay.
Okay, so we burnt the resistor.
Time to turn it off.
I haven't seen the screen. Can you do this again?
You want to do it again? Put it back on again.
Okay.
Because this is a good way to see the ripple. Oh, this looks good.
Yeah, 3 millivolts still with a practical burning up resistor. I see it glowing inside.
Is it
Well,
glowing?
maybe you want to switch it off now.
Well, yeah, look at this. Oh, it's gone.
Yeah.
It was glowing inside.
Yeah.
That's an X resistor.
It's not a resistor anymore.
Not anymore.
Oh, it smells.
Yeah.
Now the ripple is jumping around a lot. It's because I turned it off.
You've turned it off. Put it back on again.
Yeah. So it
And,
is pretty stable.
yeah, now it's drawing no current because the resistor's died.
Yeah, but that looked good.
Yeah, not bad for max settings on this.
Max settings.
Of course, you can go up to 30 something volts.
Okay, so leave it on the maximum voltage, maximum thing.
Yeah.
Or should we not leave it on the maximum voltage? We set it to something like 5 because if we leave it at the maximum voltage, maximum current, the voltage on this is almost nothing drop.
Yeah, exactly.
So let's go to another voltage line.
10, half of it.
Okay.
Yeah, 70 watt on a 10 watt resistor. Yeah, David, you got it.
Yeah, that's what happened.
That's what happened.
Yeah.
Okay, so I've set it back to.
That's usually what happens if you load them too much. Yeah.
What do you want it set to? 10 volts or something? Did you say we go to 10 volts? 10 volts, yeah, and then the current, we go up to the maximum.
Aren't you melting the wire there for the oscilloscope?
10 volts, 5 amps. Yeah, no, I don't think so.
Maybe don't rest the wire.
Oh, don't rest the wire on the resistor. Why is it hot? Yeah. Oh shit!
Okay.
It's hot. Even the bleed light is hot. Yeah.
I didn't want it on my crotch. That's why I threw it away. By the way.
Wow, man.
Yeah, that's hot.
That's hot. Okay, so where were we? 10 volts, 5 amps.
Yeah.
Switch it on.
Yep. That should be.
Short the leads.
Yep.
Whoa,
Oh,
I heard that.
Spark. Right, now leave it on one side for a while.
Well, this is not much load. Because,
No,
Well, it's 5 amps load. Oh, I see.
yeah.
it goes to no voltage.
Yeah.
Goes to
Well,
constant
but you know, the thing in here, we'll have to
Work
hard because,
Yeah,
it's,
we'll work
because it's got 20 volts coming in.
This is
And
maybe
it's only got 0.2 volts going out.
this is maybe a thing to get the thermal camera out there and
Yeah.
have a look at what the
Thermal camera's coming.
I can bring out mine. It's good enough.
Okay.
this is
Carlos has a
electric
thermal camera in his pocket. Isn't he? Electro boom. Boom.
Yeah, almost.
Almost.
Oh,
I've
you got your driver's license is already again in
Yeah, that doesn't matter.
yeah.
The important stuff is on the back, so.
Okay, so does it actually have? Is it getting warm at all?
No, not really. Let's put in the cursor so I can see the temperature in one spot. 30 something. No, that's the air temperature in here. Why is the AC off?
True, the AC is gone.
What AC's gone?
Your AC.
The AC.
It's on.
Really?
You sure?
I think so.
It's getting pretty hot in here.
There's cool air coming out of it. What do you
Okay.
expect?
Oh, this is probably the
Okay, let's see.
resistor.
Damn. Okay, there we go.
I don't
So
know,
this
you
is
got-
the back. No, nothing really getting hot in here.
I think it's got a fan in it. I'm not sure.
Yeah, it has fan holes.
It has a fan holes. Yeah, but I think the fan only comes on. Oh, can you shine on the fan holes?
Yep, it's warm inside.
36, 37 though.
Yeah.
No, guys, it doesn't get particularly hot.
Nope.
Okay, we'll leave that for a while.
Yeah.
So maybe a little bit overpriced, but it's a nice bit of kit that.
Yeah.
And I don't think there's anything else on the market to compare it with. I believe Miniware did one like that, which is 10 amps, but it's quite a lot more expensive.
I run one of these, so let's see if I can find it.
Well, when Detlef saw that, what's the first thing he said? Oh, I like that.
I'm going to steal this, I said.
Yeah, that was the second.
Because at my place everything is USB PD, so I simply drop it into one of my gadgets on the bench, and
I use
I
one
have a working power supply. So
Okay,
if
not-
you've got
not
this
that
similar
one.
setup, this is probably a thing for you guys.
Yeah.
Mine goes up to 32 volts as well.
And
Well, this will do if you put the 32 volts into it.
And
yeah,
the thing
same
has
for, same for the one I have actually.
and controlling software. By the
No,
way.
mine I can actually put in lower voltage, and I still get the 32. This.
I'll get you over to the.
Oh, just have the variable current now.
Okay,
Yeah,
10
everything.
euros.
Oh, okay, €10. So if
That's
we
a different.
we should buy one of these.
Mine cost 15. I have one. I built one on my channel.
What's the ratings for this? Can you go
Up to 5 amps, I think, on everything, or 10. I can't remember. This is the wrong one, by the way. This is the buck converter only. Mine has boost and buck.
Boost with 10 amps? No.
No, 5 amps, I think, on the boost. Let's see if I can find it. It's the same module, but
Is it programmable like this as well?
yeah, you can set it up and have memory and stuff.
So okay, well,
So and it cost me 15, I think, the module.
guys, then you guys out there, when Carlos finds the one, in fact, have you got one?
Yeah, I have one. Yeah.
Carlos, will you bring yours onto the next stream and we can have a
Yep.
look? Okay, so guys, Carlos reckons he has something basically as good as this. That
It's
is,
about 15
about
euros.
€15.
Yeah, I built a small case for it and something.
Okay.
Do I have my channel here?
Well, I'm not the case builder, so this was one. There's a channel.
There it is.
Okay.
Can you show the screen? That
There's Carlos's.
yeah. So it's the same module. XY. Okay, there's the name. XYS 35.
3580.
Paul, I'm thinking the same. Yeah, there would probably be a digital switching thing in there, and then you do the rest on.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, sounds like.
Yeah, 15.
Okay.
And it has everything you have there, memory and stuff.
Uh-huh.
It has a lot of menus inside this thing as well.
Uh-huh.
Rotary encoder, and it up to 80 watts, I think, is the max.
Up to 80, this is 150.
Yeah, exactly. So the okay,
Oh.
5 amps at from 0.6 to 36, and doesn't matter input voltage. Minimum is, I think, 7.
So we'll do 36 volts at 5 amps. That's a lot.
So
More,
the-
that's a lot more than 80 watts.
The 11th of November is Greg says, and on the 11th of November, AliExpress has a sale
Yeah,
going on.
11/11 sale.
Singles Day.
Yeah.
They call it Singles Day. If you ever wondered why it's called Singles Day, it's not like
Single.
it's not like singles like where you go dating. It's because it's 1111.
Yeah.
Oh,
The
okay.
date, and that's why it's called
In
Singles.
Germany, this is start of Carnival, so I'll be Probably somewhere in the Altstadt.
With a beer in hand.
Yeah, maybe more.
Yeah, there we go. There you have
I
the
see.
stats.
Output is 80 watt max, so this
Yeah.
cannot do 36 volts at 5 amps.
No, it can't.
cannot.
I've already tried.
Does it shut down or blow up?
Warwick, we have to talk about the computer control option. Because when I saw the video Richard made,
Oh, yes.
yeah, the video he made, I'll bring my back here in shot. When I saw the video you made, I thought, okay, saw on the screen, I saw, okay, serial port, la 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 la, 9,600 baud.
Yeah.
I thought, whoa, serial connection, you know what, we can hack this.
True.
Because I didn't really like the big thing. If you watch the video, I know you know what I mean. This is so convoluted what they put there on screen. And I thought we were talking about this about fault finding, so current injection. So imagine you have a simple screen there where you only set voltage and current, and then you have a threshold where you simply go, okay, I want to have something like
1 amp or something.
help me out here. Yeah, if it crosses 1 amp or something, it bleeps.
Or the voltage that goes past us up or down.
Yeah, and you probably can do this with this thing.
Yeah. If you could do that and make a small window which shows the
Yeah,
current and voltage
exactly.
and wattage, then I can actually use that as a source on camera source on my videos. So when I'm making repair videos, I can use this, and they can see rather than having to put my
You
camera
know
on the
what?
power
This
supply.
is a brilliant idea. We do that.
Okay, we do it, guys.
Yeah, we do that. Yeah.
New project incoming.
Yeah. Right, let's put our stuff away. We have something
But
else.
I thought, when we're going to do this, because you have the good connection to Finersi,
I do.
ask them about the protocol they're using,
This
because
is for
otherwise
the
we have
other
to sniff out what the communication does.
I will
there.
ask them.
And this one goes with the other oscilloscope.
I think this is from the other one.
Yeah,
The one that's
the
charging.
big one. Oh, we'll put it away later.
Yeah.
No, I actually use that power supply quite often. Of course, if you want
Cover,
to,
yeah, just
the max
need to
rate.
decode the serial protocol. And I'm the, you know me, lazy, hello. And so if we can ask Finersi about what protocol do you use,
I have good contact with them.
we simply, I'm guessing ASCII because they are as lazy as I am. Probably.
yeah.
Yeah, and then do a little Windows application that simply grabs the serial output and tells the thing, okay, put me that on the,
Okay.
Okay.
Right. So, little story. I've been clearing out stuff from the workshop. I've got a lot of scrap stuff around that wanted clearing out and basically making some space. I've got a huge amount of amplifiers and stuff coming in for repair at the moment. I seem to have picked up 2 very good customers, plus the industrial electronics one. He's giving me more.
The one with the encoder.
Yeah. So I've been clearing out. So I went up to the skip. So this is something you didn't have in England. So in England, if you wanted to get rid of your crap, you had to pay the council to get rid of your crap.
Yeah.
So people then like go and dump it in the middle of the
Yeah.
wilderness, fly tipping. Yeah.
Yeah.
They call it. And then the council try to find out who was fly tipping, then they find them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whereas they're all stupid because what they do here, they put these skips around the place every few hundred meters where you can put anything you want in for free, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They're not manned, and they just take it all away for nothing.
Yeah.
And then there's no fly tipping. It's like
if you renovate your home, you simply get all the garbage and simply drop it in there. Take it away.
And you want to get so
they come with the truck.
so if you've got old circuit boards and power supplies and TVs and whatever. So what people do is, when they go to the dumpsters or skips, if they take something that they think, oh, it might be useful to somebody else, they put them on the side.
On the side.
On the side by the skip, they leave them. If it's like some old deck chairs or a table, just stuff they don't want. So anyway, I went up to get rid of a load of rubbish out of here.
You brought on more.
And I brought something home with me. So I found this at the dump.
I'm not sure.
This was sitting by the side of the skip.
Holy. What?
This was just sitting at the side of the skip.
Okay. So it surely works then.
Well, it says it's a salt electrolysis system digital controller. Now let me turn it the way around.
Salt electrolysis. Not water.
It was this.
So this cleans water, I'm guessing?
I'm guessing this cleans water.
Yeah.
But the reason I picked it up is because the lid was off it and I could see what was inside it. And I thought,
Okay, let's make some space. Okay.
So it was like that at the skip.
There we go. Ooh. Really,
Ooh, yeah.
Relay and a massive transformer.
Okay, so this is what was inside it.
That's a relay board.
That's the relay board with
a lot of relays.
A bunch of relays.
Well, I tell you what.
And 2 beefy MOSFETs.
Yeah.
Not necessarily, could be
A
controlled.
little switch mode.
And I'm
power
guessing
supply.
one of these is an ULM something.
Well, I tell you what. Let me unscrew that off there. While you have what else is inside this thing. So, can I ask you guys?
Transformer.
Yeah.
So, let's see. Electrolysis is the splitting of water to hydrogen and oxygen. Where does the salt come in?
No, electrolysis is not that.
This is used in swimming pools as a chlorine substitute.
Ah.
I'm guessing you're right there, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good idea.
And yeah, guys, I saw the thing that says something
Nice
about
connectors.
My question is to all you guys out there: are you like me? Are you a magpie? If you saw this at the skip, would you pick it up yourself just because you're interested?
This is
in
too
stuff?
big for me to pick up because I would get yelled at probably. But otherwise, if it's a video game or something, yeah, it's going home with me.
I wouldn't have even recognized this as a usable.
Has a fuse. Oh, no. It looks complete at least.
I'm not sure.
This is a normal occurrence though. If you find something at the skip, they usually cut the wire.
Dutch, isn't the thing the product you just linked? Isn't the thing VEV just reviewed? I haven't had time to watch the video though. Yeah, yeah.
What, the DPS 150? It's called that little power supply.
There was something different there.
Oh, I can't get it off
declare
here.
the thing dumping. So yeah. Same here. Same in Germany. Rory.
It's still,
And you got to pay for the stuff.
it's not loose.
I know, I can't figure it out.
There we go.
Yeah, but what? Nothing happens.
Hmm?
Keep going.
Wait. It's a captive.
Guys, I think this is a controller
nuts
unit.
spins
This
underneath.
isn't the actual
It's coming.
doing
Yeah,
something
it's
unit.
coming. There's
I'm
nut
guessing.
spins underneath. Let me just. There we go.
Yeah, this transformer
It
really
spins
does
with
look pretty
your
beefy.
finger.
Okay.
180 VA. Yeah, so you could do something.
What is
about
this transformer? What you said? It says
it.
it's
Look at
like
this. 180 VA.
but it's only it's 808 output. I'm not sure what you do with this. Well, has anybody replied whether they would pick this sort of stuff up? at the skip or not?
Yeah, there's a
People
lot.
are generally saying, yeah, they would have done too. Yeah.
The relays are actually cost quite a bit of money.
That's what I thought. The relays have got to be worth having.
Yeah, the relays cost if you buy them loose. I mean,
Hold on a second, just a moment.
he's picking up something.
We're just trying to get his PCB out so we can see what's on it.
Crap.
This is a job for Carlos, you can see.
Small fingers. I just need to get the nut loose.
Is it a better tool?
Socket.
The number. Wait, I get you the
The number of the transformer.
thing there.
Oh.
This is a
6.8 volt, 12 amp.
No, I can't get the tweezers in there, Rich. And these.
Oh, this is probably where the current goes. Yeah. This is a control unit for something that does something different, yeah. I'm guessing. Model D10.
No, I can't get this off, Rich.
Okay.
I can't reach with the tweezers to get a hold of the nuts.
The pliers.
Oh, the pliers.
Let me see if I can do it.
Yeah.
That
The
one's
master at work.
yeah, that one's kind of like a bit loose. It's loose,
Yeah.
and this one is loose.
Yeah, John, this
Yeah,
is a weird
they fit
voltage.
those with the
8.2
fingers.
volts. So, yeah, you go 16 volts if you use both.
It's off. Yeah, 16. No, you couldn't because you sent the taps.
Yeah, but then it's in zero.
Oh, across the two. Yes, you can go 16 volts.
Yeah. It could be useful.
16 volts at half the current.
Yeah, 10 amps, or more than 10 amps.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Electronics channel. My nuts are.
Already do, says
Already
Dutch.
do.
Of course he does. Master, no, it's not for water disinfection. They create chlorine via. Oh, I remember this. Yeah, true.
Chlorine ions.
You can create.
Okay, that's how it works. So electrolysis takes a salt and splits it into sodium and chlorine.
Yeah.
And then you get
So
that in
this
the water.
it generates chlorine. So this is
So
probably
it's a chlorine generator.
something for a
pool.
swimming pool. Yeah.
Yeah. And sodium works well in water as well. So.
I remember there was a thing you could get this from AliExpress where there's a little spray bottle with USB in there, and they had something.
Oh yeah.
You put the salt water in there and it produced chlorine by itself.
Yeah, I got one, but it didn't work very well. I had one else to play with. It makes disinfectant.
Yeah, indeed.
From salt.
Can you reach?
And this is a big version from this.
I've got one of them on.
Yeah, I saw that.
It's just this.
Would be easier if you had a socket set.
I have. The trouble is, I'm not sure he has like the long sockets.
Yeah, they're not. Usually the long.
Can I use the overhead for this? Oh no. Now the people see
how
how horrible this
how
desktop
horrible
looks.
this desk is.
Sorry.
No, it doesn't. It's not loose at all.
This is not loose at all.
No, and I cut my nails. Bad idea. Before Sunday.
I have some little spanners, but I don't think I get them down in there.
No, the screw head is too long. I think.
Show the people something more here.
Okay.
Alright.
They have some
I do some
interesting snap-on connectors.
do some detail porn here.
Yeah. These actually just slide on the transformer on the side. These connectors, you can actually take them off. They go off.
I got it off the slightly brutal way, but since it's scrap.
Okay.
Oh, Paul already has. Here's what the electrode looks like.
Electrode.
Thank you very much, Paul. Thank you. Oh,
Okay, so here
I got it out.
I got it out.
Okay.
Well, it's scrap.
Nobody saw the broken PCB in the top.
It's scrap.
It's fine. It's fine.
It's scrap.
There's some nice old LEDs. I wouldn't say these are old, the old kind, because they're.
Marcel,
usually
this is the air conditioner.
What, the noise?
Yeah, there's some. Jaska says.
Oh, yes, the air
in the
conditioning.
background, Yeah, it's the AC.
The switches are really nice, no? Okay, I see where it was broken.
Oh, we can see why it failed, yeah, look at that. Hole in the relay.
It probably broke. It burnt out, probably.
That's what was wrong with it.
Yeah.
Well, it's a bit more wrong now because I broke it, but never mind.
Yeah, but you
That
didn't
says
break.
I would get it just for the LEDs.
Yeah, pretty much. The LEDs are cool.
Let's have a look at all these chips under the microscope.
Yep, let's go.
Can you switch on the other machine to the microscope?
Yes.
We can.
I on it. There we go. And then
Get this in full screen, please.
Full screen projection. There we go.
Thank you. Go.
Euro 2003. That's probably some sort of like Darwin to the race type thing.
Mm-hmm. Oh, maybe they have a NAND gate for me.
Oh yeah.
I need a 7400 NAND
You
gate.
need to change the lighting a little bit.
We could ask Andy next time in Las Palmas, because this is probably something there isn't in Las Palmas.
Oh yeah. They should have some.
Okay, what do we have? Can we see?
CD4099.
CD4099.
What's that?
It's CMOS
logic.
something or other.
And this
Another
is
one.
same, yeah. This is the EEPROM or the.
This could be a GAL. Can you remove the sticker?
Yep.
But it doesn't matter who have one.
I was thought the gal was like somebody who met at the bar and had a few drinks.
Yeah, cool.
See them gals over there?
I never.
I'll go for the blonde, you go for the brunette.
All right.
I never called women girls, but okay.
Maybe.
Sharon did this in Galway Girl.
Yeah.
Didn't
Oh
you?
yeah. Yeah.
Come
okay,
on,
fine.
the band wants to play something of these.
It's Sheeran. Oh my god.
Just a minute, this is 74XX and now 50 years old.
Okay.
Yeah, man. This is
Could
so
I get
weird.
some IPA so I can see?
What you can, and you can also, I'll just give you here, this might help. One moment, guys.
No nails and still able to scratch off.
Hey Anna, welcome to the show. Yeah, we think 180 VA is pretty beefy. Interesting. Would be interesting what you think would be a high power thing. Yeah, 18 volts. Yep. So 16 something with a cap between 20, I guess.
And there we go. We have visibility.
We have something we can't see.
Yeah.
I can't see it either.
The light is not on. Oh yeah, it was.
Maybe turn down the
Turn down the overhead lighting.
overhead so you can.
There we go.
Think that.
Pick.
Oh, it's a pick. It's a microcontroller.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
I take it you can't read those things. Right? Was the program? Well, can you reprogram them?
You can reprogram.
There must be some ROM code somewhere.
Yeah, there is a fuse you can set so they can't be read.
Yeah, and probably this is.
Yeah, it's probably set.
Yeah. What the 8 pins?
There is a small.
They're opto isolators.
optos,
6-pin opto isolators.
There are 2 of them.
4N25, LM324, quad op
Yeah.
amp.
See.
What else we got here?
Just a resistor pots.
Another ULN 2003.
This is what I was looking for. See,
7805, yeah.
The other one is probably 12.
What's the other one? 7905 above it.
Let's see there.
12 volt.
12, 7812.
So 12 and 5
A
volts.
little round fuse. Just there.
Oh yeah.
No, this is a.
No, this is-
Oh, it's a bridge rectifier.
full bridge rectifier.
Or be something.
Yep.
Bridge rectifier.
Sorry.
Full bridge, yeah. There,
So the one I don't recognise is this one down here. ULN. Yeah. ULN 2003.
There's your driver for the relays.
Oh.
This is 500 milliwatt, 500 milliampere.
Yeah.
driver.
Is this like
Open collector?
open with 6 or
Yeah.
8 Darlington pairs in there?
See. And there's probably 7 relays, right?
6.
the-
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah.
Yeah, 6. Okay, yeah, you have 7 channels in there.
Oh, and a power resistor hiding down the corner.
I didn't see that one either. Okay.
Okay, yeah, so from what I picked up at the
Yeah.
skip.
Yeah, Castle says 50 volt, 7 channel Darlington transistor. Yeah.
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 Nice.
See,
It's
welcome
not
to the show, mate.
it's not bad for parts.
No, that's why I got it. I picked up the parts. I mean, that
Yeah.
was. Change camera.
Yep.
Yeah. So I picked up the parts, guys. I mean, that big transformer's beefy, so.
Yeah, the transformer is useful. The switches are useful.
Yeah.
There are some lights you can salvage, I guess, and some of the
The
chips
regulators are handy. The chips will come off here.
yeah, the chips can be useful as well.
Yeah. And the relays, apart from the one that's burnt.
Yeah, 5 of 6 is fine.
Yeah, it looks like this has been scrapped just because we have one burnt
Wait.
resistor.
Get you to the other
No,
camera.
really.
One burnt relay, and that thing is scrapped.
This must have been expensive.
And it must be expensive.
Yeah, super expensive. These things are not cheap, especially when it's built that beefy.
Yeah.
If you buy it from China, it comes in a plastic lid instead and has switches made of cardboard.
Yeah. This is a linear supply. This is another linear transformer.
true.
Look.
Yeah.
7.50, 7.5.
Yeah. So another transformer,
Another little, I mean,
that's
nice.
about $10 or so if you get them loose.
Yeah,
or even
maybe
more.
some little projects, or like, if you want a 606, or that's the AC voltage. It's probably give you 909.
Yeah, it does. And if you put them in serial to get you power the 12 volt rail.
Yeah,
Yeah.
This is probably all in series.
Yeah.
15, 16.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Nice then, for nothing at the skip.
Yeah, I usually pick up stuff as well.
Yeah, I can't resist. It's like a magnet to me. Okay.
Rich, there's someone for you. Anna is working on power amplifiers and she designs them. So this is something you will repair all day now.
So
yeah.
I have a huge. Oh, the power resistor is dual. Is it?
Maybe. I didn't check how many connections is that.
Oh, look at that power resistor.
Oh yeah, it is.
Can we
Good
get under the mic sweep or something?
So it has 2 connections on each side. There we go.
Wow. I've never seen that before. Shall I unsolder it so we can see the markings on it?
Yeah, the markings are underneath, of course.
Okay, right, give me a moment, guys, and I will just get this thing unsoldered and we can see what it actually is. It's got 2 connections on one end and one at the other. Okay, I'll get this unsoldered. What are we playing with next?
Yeah, he can't resist. Yeah.
I want to,
No,
what are we playing with next? The tablets?
Tablets?
You could if you like.
Where's
This is something for you.
For me?
Yeah. I got this. By the way, guys, if you order cheap tablets from AliExpress, don't expect them to work really long. This thing, can you show this to the people? This thing worked about 3 months and it simply died now. And so I thought, okay, I got a keyboard for the band going up now, and I thought, well, maybe the power cell in there would be the perfect thing to power keyboards. Because
Want me to open it then?
Well, I have still hopes that that we somehow magically repairs it by itself, but I'm not really counting on this. And
Yeah, I won't break it. Don't worry.
You know how to open this?
Yes, I do.
Oh, he does know how to open this.
I fixed a few tablets in my videos actually.
Wow. Okay, I should. Do you mean I should watch more of your channel?
Yeah, probably. We have some specialized.
The only Alan, welcome to the show, my friend. Yeah, Rich is currently doing something with a resistor, and Carlos is trying to get some tools here, and there are the tools.
I'm
Carlos.
back. Ah, crap.
I've unsoldered this funny resistor.
So these have a problem when you open them. They snap on all the way around, so you crack the screen normally.
This is what I was guessing. At, yeah. So I didn't try to go any further. Yeah, you know, me and mechanics. No.
Plastic always, no metal ones.
Yeah, I used some guitar picks.
Yeah, guitar picks are perfect for this.
Yeah.
I need about 3.
Well, I think I can get to one of my.
While Carlos is looking for the right tools, this is this resistor. So if you look at it, it has like.
Wait, you're not on screen.
Now you are. Oh, this is not on screen.
No, yeah.
Yeah.
This is not.
Just a sec, guys, and Richard can show you.
Okay. There it is. So,
There we go. There we go.
so if you look, we have one connection underneath which isn't connected to anything. It's just like a mounting pillar. Okay. We have 2 connections on one end,
Oh.
and then the other end has like this little springy thing on it. Can you see it? It must be like a fuse. So I can only assume that if it overheats, that little thing unsolders itself, and, and it goes open circuit. What do you think?
Yeah, that sounds like it should.
Guys, have you ever seen anything like that? So
100 ohm.
I reckon if we measure across these two, it'll be 100 ohms. Let me find the meter.
Oh, cool.
And I reckon the other end is like a little, is effectively like a fuse.
Where is the charging port?
I'm way more interested about the tablet thing.
Okay. Well, while you do that, I'll
It's
just.
a 100 ohm resistor, wait.
Yeah, but I'm thinking the 100 ohms between the 2 legs at this end.
It's 100 ohms?
Yes, probably.
Oh.
If the markings are right. Okay, so
Okay, let's learn something here, people. I have no idea how to open this.
So,
Obviously
normally,
that's it.
I
This
go
is-
for the part where the sockets are. So here's the SD card socket and the USB. It's usually more loose here because this is just plastic and this is holes in the plastic. So it's usually more bendable right here. That's why I went directly for that. This is more experience than anything else because I've had broken screens.
Well, you can't kill it. It's dead already. So
I'm not going to.
In what respect is it dead?
it doesn't do anything.
It doesn't turn on at all.
It charges. I charged it yesterday and I put about 5,000 milliampere hours.
Oh, so it charges.
But it doesn't do anything.
Yeah, that doesn't start.
So there is a ribbon cable that goes loose inside. I'm pretty sure the ribbon cable to the screen is just popped off. That happens to.
Well, I didn't see any current changes when I tried to power it on. So I normally expect there would be
something, yeah.
And I didn't see that.
Yeah. Okay, let's go for the buttons then. No, this is
Yeah,
quite tightly put together.
Again, you can't break it even more.
No. I'm not going to force it.
My main idea was to steal the battery from the others. So I have a pretty decent battery. Okay, that's something.
Just need to get one corner in.
So you don't have to get them hot or anything to get that done?
These are not glued normally.
Okay.
Now this is from China.
Yeah, this is China, of course. Yeah.
I did it on a few Samsungs and my daughter's Oppo one.
And they hold your bank cam with for $60 with
there
a
we go.
keyboard. But I think you got something there.
Yeah, it popped off.
It popped off his in.
Yeah. So I just need to get one corner in here.
Okay, we're in.
And then you put in one of these.
And no, I had charging yesterday, and it was constantly charging with an amp. So
there we go.
And it went down after. And it went down after, don't know, 3 hours or something.
That's why I need 3 of these, because you leave it in, and then you just go.
Okay.
And just go a little
Hey
more.
Gordon, welcome to the show.
Oh, is it? Oh, look at this! It's doing this.
Experience.
Wow.
Wow!
Okay.
And
Yeah, man.
then
That looked easy. You made it look easy.
He made it look easy, but I suspect it wasn't.
it takes some feel to it first. You need to learn how it feels, and then it's
Oh!
Oh yeah, this is a nice battery.
yeah. So if you do this enough, it's quite easy. But if you don't do it enough, you crack the screen.
Yeah. I thought you had to warm it up a little bit.
Yeah, I know, and I dropped it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so let me see. The normal problem areas are these ribbons. They shake loose, pretty much. They have the small tab connectors that hold them together, but they don't hold. Okay.
So it looks like straight out they strap the ribbon right across the back of the battery. Where
You
it's
had a
going to
little, little light, right?
get light.
Yeah.
Because I feel like I could use some
Extra
full light on the video here.
extra light.
Yeah, the DP.
Oh yeah.
You see the DP is already saying we need more light.
Yeah. There we go. Okay, that's on the power for the backlight.
Oh!
So that's okay. The actual screen connector is this. So it could be loose here or underneath.
I don't think there's a screen connector.
I'm pretty sure it is.
Then you would see some change in the current when you powered it on.
No, because the screen connector is not on. Okay, it goes around and flips over. Okay, so this is the screen connector. It's fine here. It's fine here for the touchscreen.
Yeah, Warwick, we're doing this all the time, yeah. But currently I wasn't aware that we need guitar picks for today. Over in the coffee, we're playing at the coffee right now.
Okay, no, and this looks fine. The only thing that could be wrong is here, and that looks fine. So now you have a broken motherboard instead.
See, that's what I said.
Yep, you are correct.
Yeah.
Are you sure if you disconnect the battery from the motherboard and
Let's
leave
do
it a
that.
minute or two and reconnect it, it might just work?
Yeah, it could be. It could have crashed.
Like it's crashed, that's what I'm
Yeah.
thinking.
Let's try this, because this
Yeah.
looks like a bit
Well, you have to
connected
wait,
there.
give it
Yeah.
a couple of minutes, don't you?
Yeah, yeah, let's wait a bit and see what happens. Yeah.
These are for the speakers. This is for another speaker, and then the backlight.
Okay.
So
Well,
these are quite simple machines. This is a computer on a chip, pretty much inside here, and then the rest of the things to connect it.
Zach asked, while we're waiting for this,
Yep.
Zach asked, I didn't know there was an
Oh, check the
LR
battery
Discord.
voltage.
Is there a link to a YouTube on the YouTube page?
Yes.
This is
It's on every video description, there's a link to the LER Discord.
okay.
On all of my video descriptions.
And there's a lot of people there.
Yeah.
And a lot of information, then the schematics.
Yeah,
and-
ebooks, lots of ebooks and stuff on there. Is somebody saying check the battery voltage? So
Yeah.
we
Yep.
can do that. We have the multimeter. I'll get it.
That's actually what I was going to ask you for.
One multimeter.
Okay. Yeah, the viewers are awake at least. That's good. God damn it!
Have you stabbed yourself again?
Yeah, the stomach this time.
In the stomach. Detlef gave me these probes. They're extremely,
Yeah,
they're extremely like, dangerous.
These are the good ones.
Yeah, no,
Battery voltage is 4.3.
Yeah.
of 7, right?
Oh, it's a 7? No, this is a 1 cell.
Oh, 3 point something. Yeah, then it's fully charged there.
Yeah, this is fully charged.
4.3.
3.85. Yeah, it's a normal one. So usually they stack them sandwich style or put 2 smaller ones to get the voltage up. They slice them on the motherboard pretty much.
Sandwich?
Yeah, full charge.
Yeah, they
this
put
is what I
two,
did
yeah,
yesterday.
on top of each
Paul,
other.
yeah.
If the tablet's a little thicker, the chances are really high that it's a sandwich.
Yeah, and suggested some of the motherboards have a single shorted cap that drains the battery and has it looking dead. Yeah, probably, but wait.
But not in this case, no. This has a fully charged battery.
I get close into the
Yeah.
into the main board there.
Yeah. So
I think
visual
this-
inspection. These components are tiny, obviously.
Would you like to put it under the microscope?
Yeah. So
Yeah, that microscope would be a way better.
yeah,
That's
quick
true.
visual inspection is always good. You don't need a professional microscope for these things either. You can use one like the one I have. I have a El Cheapo one.
No, I gave you a decent microscope actually.
Yeah,
Yeah, you did.
and I still use mine. It's because of the reach.
I actually gave you a decent one.
Yeah,
you did.
I haven't used it yet. The little one
Yeah,
uses.
I gave him an Andon store,
Yeah, and I still use
and
mine.
he still uses the cheapo.
Yeah, my cheapo has a long boom arm. That's why.
This looks like
Andon store 407 I gave him.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is
Yeah,
Wi-Fi.
it's not bad.
No, it's not bad at all.
No.
And he still uses the cheapo one.
Okay, so the battery connector, no burnt components around. Looks nice. Usually the diode goes kaboom if that's broken, but
This is Wi-Fi. This is a
yeah.
Wi-Fi
So
module.
this is just low power stuff. Nope, nothing there. Missing components.
Holes.
Yeah, well, no, I don't see any burnt traces in the wires either. You can see sometimes the small traces inside burnt out, so they are blackened.
Oh, Marcel says you can mod the AD407 and mount it on an LCD arm.
This is a clever idea. Very good, Marcel, yeah.
Because then with the AD407, it gives you output on the screen,
Yeah.
USB and HDMI all at the same time.
Yeah, that's what I get from mine as well. But of course, the quality of the Andon Star is better.
Yeah.
I can't argue with that. But the kid uses it to watch, look at bugs and stuff. So,
Very long.
so it is getting used, not just by me.
Londog says, what do you think, guys, about
Yeah.
trying to reflow the solder, kind of a thing, looking for connections using like a heat gun, or maybe getting a solder to potential flow? I hope you kind of...
I would suggest if you're going to do things like that, you get a preheater.
Yeah.
So you can get the whole PCB up to about 200 C.
And then blast it.
And then blast it from the top of that.
Yep.
Yeah, you need to use. You're not going to do it without a preheater. You have to get the whole PCB up to say about 180, something like that. So you haven't got to push it much higher.
Buttons will do the
And by the way, so when you're doing that with the preheater, let it take 5 minutes. Don't you know?
Okay, I'll get you back on.
which
us,
one
yeah.
is the power button?
No TS connection on that battery.
Nope.
What's a TS connection?
It's alive.
I can't believe this. It's alive.
It had crashed.
Is it crashed?
It crashed so deep that it...
Yep.
Wow.
So I fixed it then
Yeah.
by saying this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, fixed. Job done.
Okay, let's put back the tape and put it together again, and you have a tablet
I
again.
have a tablet again. Wow. Thank you, guys.
Yes, that's another tablet. I've also given Det a tablet.
Yeah, now I have 2 tablets.
During this clearing out session,
this
I was
was-
giving a lot of stuff to.
This was a good show. I go home now.
Yeah. What is that tablet I gave you, Dad?
Wait.
It's
wait,
right by
where
you.
did I
Right
put
by
it?
you.
Oh, it's over here.
What is it?
It's over here. It's a Samsung.
I don't know if it's working or not, but
Yeah. I haven't changed time to charge it.
is it a model?
Samsung.
Or is it Samsung?
There you go.
Yeah, this is what I gave to Dad. It's a SMT580. I'm not sure how old this is.
Yeah,
SMT580.
Time to put it together. Do we have the back lid somewhere? Who took the back lid?
I didn't.
Oh,
what after?
I think
The
I
lid.
didn't.
Oh, the lid. This one.
There we go. Thanks. I'm missing a rubber piece here. We can probably put that on after.
Yeah, Anna, exactly. There's a reset button, and I pressed it like a madman. I tell you. Yeah.
Yeah, the reset is software.
There could be something that is. It's a software thing. Yeah.
Okay. Why?
No, Paul, this is actually externally reachable. I think I can't show you from here right now.
Oh, you mean the quick reset thing?
Yeah, on the
Yeah. So
yeah, but
you only have 3 buttons here.
no, the little hole beside that.
Yeah.
Wait, let me get in there.
So
Yeah, this is the little hole. You see, the little hole beside the minus volume down is a reset.
yeah. So that button is usually not reachable unless you have a pin. You have 4 buttons here.
Yeah, and this is a reset thing. Yeah. Again,
So this one
pressing-
is the reset.
I was pressing this like a madman. Yeah.
Could be that it's broken. The reset's arm.
Or not connected or something. Also, it's a set software.
Yeah, it's just a software reset. That could be. I have a few tablets that are that.
I think this was Android
Oh,
13 or something,
Yeah.
Mike. So it wasn't that horrible. So
No,
yeah.
they are okay if you buy the newer ones. Okay, so this is the most satisfying part after fixing one of these.
wait. Let me show this on camera.
Yeah.
Whoa.
It's nice, a nice sound. This Still bugging me that it's not flash, but hey, what can you do?
Paul, I tried this too. Of course I did, man. Of course I pressed all the buttons at once.
Yeah, I trusted it. Oh, I put it backwards. That's right. Oh, in there.
It says these no longer update.
Yeah, this is the bad thing about
Android. Yeah. When they get to a certain age, they don't.
It's from
support them.
2016, but it
Yeah.
was free. That.
Yeah, absolutely. And you know, just to display what's his name? Just to display chords or lyrics for the band.
It's close.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah.
I dropped my box.
Okay,
Of course I have to push.
I think it's time for a beer.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a great idea.
Oh, get them. The plastic feet.
Oh, while we were doing that, by the way, can we just get back to this for a second?
Yes.
Okay, of course.
So,
You don't have this on screen.
okay, I have to do that. Yeah.
Have it out. Yeah.
This is me.
Yeah.
So I have to.
Where does this come from?
That
It's
thing.
from the SD port.
That doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know why it's popping off.
You want to get this on full screen, please, before I switch
Okay.
to the video.
Okay.
Yeah, so it doesn't get.
Yeah.
The astral projector.
Oh,
No, it's upside. Full screen. Full screen.
Yeah.
Up.
It says full screen projector here.
on the top.
On the top.
Full screen projection.
Yeah.
There we go.
What's,
There you go. Click
oh,
this.
that's preview and source.
Click there.
And then click on this.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And now I can switch.
Okay, so while Carlos was doing that, I did just check this, and it does read 100 ohms between these two legs. So these are the input pins, 100 ohms, and then that is, like I said, it's like a mechanical fuse. So as it gets hot, it'll melt the solder and it'll spring open.
It's on.
It's a resettable fuse. Has anybody seen one of these before?
Thank you, mate.
Yeah, no problem. Those are easy for me, for me because I've done so many and I cracked so many screens. Crazy cool.
I don't know if he's talking about the resistor or whatever.
I don't think so.
Keep going.
Is that the resistor that's crazy cool, or is it the? Yeah, but yeah, that's it's a resettable fuse on a under the resistor.
Yeah.
I've never seen
Otherwise, there is no point for the solder.
that. Yeah, but you notice at the end of this that there's like 4 holes.
Yeah.
I've often noticed resistors have holes there and wondered why. I wonder if this is like an add-on that you can put onto any power resistor.
Maybe they're with 4 legs, 5.
I don't know. Interesting. Anyway, there you go, guys. Change screen.
Are you going to?
I'm trying to boot this up.
Huh? It should be on.
Switch cover. Oh, that's broken this again already.
Maybe I'm not compatible.
But then it's pressure related. Give me one of these big things.
Yeah, and Anna's never seen one of those resistors. No, it's strange. Oh, I've seen them with some power amps. Yeah, it already broken again.
Yeah, so
We need some beer.
Yeah, beer would help.
you know, I'm just trying to get to
I know.
the boot up reprogram
Yeah, this
factory.
of course I did this.
Yeah, I trust you know that as well.
Detlef,
My friend.
Dorada
Dorada, of course.
or
No.
Corona?
Dorada.
Okay, so my guess is one of
Thank
the
you.
components near the battery connector is probably dead.
Okay.
So it's overheating or whatever.
Can't be dead because no, I don't think so. Want to open this again?
Yeah, I can open it again and see if I can get it to start again.
Should be easier now, right?
Yeah, it is. Look, no tools necessary. Okay, yeah, I need my nails. God damn it!
You cut them.
There.
Wow, this is way easier now.
Yeah, the first time is the. I was going to say bitch. But
I was going to say like a woman. The first time's the most difficult. But then
I still said it.
you still said it anyway. Like a bitch. Yeah. Yes, basically what you said. Yeah.
Okay, let's get this.
John is having a Guinness. Come on, let's talk about nice
Guinness.
things. Yeah.
I'm on the Corona this time.
I'm not a beer drinker. So
Dorada Especial. Yeah.
This says it's the beer most fine.
From Tenerife.
Beer most fine.
Well, that's what it says, huh?
Yeah.
The beer most fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. From 1925. There we go. Corona it is.
There we go.
Damn it, stupid thing.
I was only here to do maybe rip off the battery.
Yeah, we can still do that.
We still can do that. No, that is openable without.
Yeah, without breaking
Yeah.
everything. Yeah. Okay, it's off again. Let's disconnect the battery and see if that happens again. Yeah. That should be actually be enough, but
I'd say so. I'll get you guys in here.
I'm just feeling around for heat, just in case a resistor is burning up or a capacitor or something. But no. I could use the thermal camera, obviously.
I was just thinking that.
This takes a second to
Yeah.
to do something, but it should.
Oh yeah, if it's completely off, you have to hold the button a little bit. Yeah.
I think so. Yeah.
There we go.
Oh,
Okay.
So there is something wrong with the battery circuitry.
leave it switched on and put the back on while it's switched
Yeah,
on.
I do the same. Yeah.
Maybe I switched it off with the buttons.
But then you should be able to switch it on again.
I want to see if it boot up completely.
Yeah.
That's what I am waiting for.
Yeah.
I keep it in my hands.
Oh,
This, by the way, this is not dangerous. It's 3 volts.
This looks like Kilroy.
this takes about 5 minutes to boot up. So.
Oh,
Yeah. So we can talk about something different.
okay. Well, while you're doing that, then some things that have arrived. So, you guys, you remember a couple broadcasts ago, we asked you what you would like us to buy,
Let's see if it starts up.
and I have 2 of the items here. So,
Oh, the talking. No, that's not the talking
no.
one.
So this is the
Springs made.
this is the ZYIE tweezers that
Yeah.
somebody. So we bought this from the incomes and we have from here.
LCR tweezer.
Yeah, somebody said about this. This is apparently cheaper than the Finersi one. So, is it okay if I do a more in-depth review on my channel? Well, it's the same channel now, isn't it? I'll do a
Yeah, it's the same.
I'll do a review on this on like the normal videos. I get this reviewed, and then we can play with it on the live stream.
Still doing.
And the other thing I have here already is the multimeter soldering iron.
You didn't get the one that talks?
No, not yet.
I'm interested in that one.
I will get the one that talks, but at the moment I have these. So USB smart soldering iron. So again, if you're okay, I'll get a review on my channel, normal review, and then we can have a play with these next time on here.
Yeah. Those things are always fun because they're thinking outside the box at least.
You see, it's got a little tick in the box. It says single soldering iron with multimeter. Single soldering iron tip with multimeter. I also have coming from Miniware. I have coming a. It's not released yet. It's desoldering tweezers.
Oh, okay. Heated tweezers.
Yeah, the heated tweezers.
Still on. Cool.
Still booting.
Yeah.
So that's on the way as well. Oh, what makes it smart? Which one?
The smart tweezers.
The smart tweezers.
Oh, the tweezers are smart.
Does it say?
No,
no,
the
the
other
USB.
thing is smart.
Yeah,
Yeah.
The smart solder. What makes the soldering iron smart? It's also a multimeter.
it measures while you're. Oh.
Oh,
This is the turn off that when
oh, the it's
yeah.
not on the battery.
It's
It's not on the charger pack.
probably went to sleep there. Yeah.
Yeah.
What makes this smart?
Low battery. Okay. It turned off again.
Wow.
It's the battery. Okay. Let's do that then.
What makes this smart?
Oh, now you're unpacking it. Ah, you wanted to do this on your channel.
I will do it on my channel, but what makes it smart? Apparently,
It's a multimeter.
it's a
So guys,
multimeter.
this is a premiere now. This is a total premiere now.
Yeah.
So this is the
Ooh. Metal. Oh.
ZYIE. Can we see that? ZYIE ZT
ZTN2.
N2. Oh, this is like a T12.
Yeah.
The T12 tip.
Just shorter.
Just a bit.
Isn't that shorter?
Oh, it's a bit shorter than the
Yeah.
T12. Okay, it's like a shorter T12, and this also has a built-in multimeter.
Okay, now we have to power it, right?
So, do you have it heated while you're
Sorry for the
measuring?
shaky cam, guys.
Well, it comes with
I
this
have a few
cable.
questions here.
Sorry. This camera.
Which one?
Yeah.
It comes with this cable, so it has a USB-C on one end
What?
and a multimeter probe on the other end.
It goes on the USB.
And then it comes with this thing as well.
Okay.
Ain't no
Oh, so you change out the tip. Okay. So it's not heated while you're.
Oh!
Hindsight chips, yeah.
Oh, so that goes in there.
Nah.
Wait! Yes, wait!
Alright.
Power on.
Ah, crap. Okay, then it's you have.
Oh, no,
to,
it's on, it's on, it's on.
you have,
Oh no.
you have to take out the hot tip to measure it afterwards.
And so he says,
I'm
it
blurring
shows here.
out. Yeah, I'm blurring out.
Yeah, you see, this shows it as being the soldering iron. It's so bright. That's a picture of a soldering iron tip. That's a picture of a multimeter.
Okay,
this is settings.
when you switch it, it goes to black background.
So he says now, please attach the test leads. Do not measure. Oh, it said please attach the test leads and something about not measuring voltage over a certain amount.
Alright.
Let me just get back into it again. So back to soldering iron. Okay.
Do not.
Well, now it needs power on the USB-C.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now it needs
Okay,
power
so
on
you can't
USB-C
fuck up, really.
for the and then if we press again and we go to multimeter.
What do you think?
Please attach the leads before use. Do not measure voltage over 36 volts.
Okay.
So it's a low voltage multimeter. Yeah. So it's now on auto.
Yeah.
Let's try.
You have the power supply right there.
Let's try resistors. Carlos, what does it measure? It's on auto range.
It's out.
You got a power supply over there. This still isn't burning, by the way.
Yeah.
We can measure them. Oh.
Sorry.
Oh.
I can't see anything here.
Okay, so it's jumping all over the place.
It says 0.
Yeah. No, it was jumping up and down. My connection wasn't very good. Okay. Give me a sec. I'm trying to keep my arm away from.
Yeah, look, 0. Is it on the short?
No, I think it tells you ohms. No, it doesn't.
Kilo ohms.
Auto.
Oh, sure.
It's a bit undecided.
Yeah, and I'm actually putting quite a bit of pressure. There.
Oh, there you go.
100 ohms, 97.
Maybe not the most precise one, but well.
Okay, let's try it on the power supply. So,
It's 0.2 volts right now.
oh, and by the way, the power supply, guys, which has been sitting here,
It's not even hot.
this is warm.
Yeah, it's a little warm.
How warm is that now?
I'd say maybe 40 degrees.
Yeah, so it's been sitting here for quite a long time.
Give me a sec and we'll confirm my suspicions.
Suspicions.
This is really handy. If you need a phone and you don't mind the bulkiness of this thing. Okay, so the hot part is on the underside. About 40 degrees, 38, 39.
So it's not overheating.
No, not even close. Fans were the warmest part last time, so let's see.
Get the camera on there.
I'm trying to.
37, 42, yeah, it's about 45 degrees inside, I'm guessing. So, not too bad.
Let's go for 50 and we're still on the safe side.
Yeah,
I mean, it's comfortable to pick up.
yeah, and it's shorted leads, practically.
Shorted leads, and it's been, at 5 amps, and it's been there for an hour.
Yeah.
Nearly. Okay, so measure the voltage then.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was doing.
Unshort the leads.
Yeah, that was the idea, at least. It should be 10 volts. Let's see if it shows 10 volts. Where's the screen? There. Can you see the screen?
Well, maybe.
Maybe. It moves around.
Auto,
So-
We're still auto. Yeah.
2.
All
Oh.
right.
10.
There you go.
Okay, so it's not the fastest thing in the world.
No, it isn't. But you know,
You know what? If you don't want a bulky multimeter with you, sure, why not? Just to quick repairs outside.
I see iFixes have released
Oh, yeah,
a
this
range
was a
of
portable
soldering
The
equipment.
portable soldering iron EEV block just did a video
Okay,
about.
so what happens if you pass current through this thing? What if you
I'm
put
guessing
in the,
it won't work. I'm guessing this can
No.
only do
Yeah, it's
voltage
open circuit.
and
Yeah,
resistors. Yeah, and
Yeah.
since this is high resistance,
yeah.
you won't push any current through that.
I'll do a full review on the main channel video, but basically it measures AC voltage, DC voltage, resistance, and continuity.
Yep. Here, don't lose the parts for it.
No, it goes back in this box.
Yep.
I mean, the question is why?
If you have it in your car, you can use USB-C power directly from the cigarette outlet. So
Okay.
I guess.
Or you can use a PD power.
Or PD
power bank.
Have it
This
with
is
you.
how I would use
Yeah.
it.
Having it with you on the go and having a multimeter there.
You know what? For the
Yeah.
band, this would be a perfect thing when you go on a gig.
Yeah.
You can just
Small
check
cable.
if a cable is fine. You can
Yeah.
check if
And you can solder it if it's not.
Yeah. And you simply switch out the tip and you have a soldering iron.
Yeah.
And you only have one device.
There is a good place for it. Not for us that have workshops
No, but
and
however,
benches and stuff, but if you're out and about, yeah, sure.
Remember, I'm the guy with the €5 soldering iron, so I probably can solder with that one too.
Yeah.
MacArthur's right; they look pretty much like pencil
Yep.
tips. So
yeah, it's like a T12
It
type.
felt it has some weight in it, so I like the feeling. How's the tablet doing? Is it still booting? Holy shit!
I don't think there's something going on. I think this is a donor.
Yeah. So do a factory reset. Power plus volume down. Okay. Yeah. I go for that. Power volume up. First, let's see if it turns off.
We still can see the battery.
Yeah. Of course. Okay. So power volume up.
Carver, there is a firmware problem. I'm pretty sure with that. Yeah.
Yeah. It's probably overheating. Sorry.
I don't think it's overheating. I think it's simply a corrupted partition in there somewhere.
Yeah. If you can do the factory reset, it should fix it.
Yeah.
No. Maybe I have to disconnect the battery to get it there.
Yeah. Spring says, I'm not asked for a multimeter. I have a fluke kit. A basic continuity checkup would be useful for. Yeah. You know, again, imagine you are in a band, just like certain people on this table. And you go out and you have the usual problem, the cable doesn't work, and you don't know what it is. So in this thing, you have a multimeter to check if the cable doesn't work.
Nothing.
And again, you maybe want to disconnect power and then hold the buttons to.
Just to drain it. Yeah. You are right.
And if you've got a broken cable, then you simply switch the tip, and you're ready to solder.
Yeah. I guess so. Yeah, probably because I'm coming from like the wrong direction. It's not what I would be using.
On your bench, you don't need it.
No. This is not for bench. I think this is field kit.
Yeah, it's field kit, yeah.
Exactly. Or have it in the car or in the bag or whatever.
I seem to remember it wasn't very expensive.
But again,
if it's a T12 solder, it probably works quite well.
Yeah. But again, for this kind of job, you need to carry around a power supply. Then.
Correct.
So a power bank or at least some PD supply.
Yeah.
That is capable of doing the needed voltage there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's getting toasty. On the,
Just disconnect the.
just leave it disconnected a while. Huh. Was that static?
Then it's gone forever now.
I know. It's a little spark.
It's current.
Yeah, that's a spark.
All right.
So something's drawing some current.
Yeah.
So maybe it's really crashing there.
Yeah, I'm feeling heat under the shield, but I won't take that shield off because these are a pain in the ass.
And says it, small is good, with you.
Yeah.
But then again, you have to carry the PD power supply, but you can use it to charge your camera on the way. So,
Yeah.
multi-purpose.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. 40 minutes to go. What you got there?
Oh, well,
the VU.
wait, this is from off an old mixer or something.
Yeah, VU meter.
VU meter. I was wondering how easy it is to reverse engineer this, because I think if we look at it under the microscope, all we have is loads of comparators and just loads of LEDs. I'm thinking this just has like a DC voltage which represents the size of the waveform coming in and power. So we can, would that be
It
easy
has
to,
way too many connections for that. Oh, maybe it has...
would this be easy to reverse engineer? That's the question.
Yeah.
So let's get this under the microscope.
Todd says, hey, I'm trying to get a lab together. It's an isolation transformer.
Well, I'll
they're
just
very
connect the power.
essential.
No.
Ask Richard.
It depends on what type of work you want to do, pretty much. I don't have one, and I still manage to fix stuff. But of course, I don't do power supplies and stuff like Richard.
What was the question?
Todd says, I am trying to get a lab together. It's an isolation transformer and a very essentials.
Okay.
Can I get both in one unit? Thanks for watching religiously.
Okay, if you're working on stuff which is connected directly to the mains, like I do, which is power supplies, industrial electronics, I would say yes.
Yeah, exactly. It depends on your use case of your lab.
Well, I will tell you all a little story. So,
The kids escaped again. Damn it.
yeah, I'm going to stop them if they hit this window.
You got the electroshocker right?
That's okay. You can make noise.
Okay.
Just don't,
Yeah.
don't bang the windows.
Don't bang the windows. Okay, so, it's like there's kids running around outside.
You guys are missing recess. Yeah, I want to get out of here.
Okay, they've gone.
Come, we bring the kids some beer.
Okay, so I'll tell you a story. So, a guy who, he has a business, and what he does is prints out lists of football matches for the local bars. Because a lot of them have satellite systems from all over the world, or IPTV systems.
yeah, it's hard to
And basically, he lists all the games that are available on big A4, A3 posters. So they put up in the bars. And then he gives them a smaller A4, which is the same list of games, but tells them which channels they're on. So they can find the game. And he does quite well out of this. He charges them a monthly subscription, and every week he prints these things out. So anyway, he brought me a laminator, you know, like these plastic laminators.
Yeah, okay, yeah, the roller ones.
Yeah, like the roller ones for like laminating paper.
Mm.
So, because he does a laminated version, which obviously costs them more. So he says whenever you plug it into the mains, it just trips the trip out of the fuse, you know, like the RCD trip.
Yeah.
So I plugged it in, and I said, well, it works fine. It works absolutely fine. And he took it back in. He says, no, it trips out the RCD. And he brought it back. I said, look, it plugged in, it works absolutely fine. And then I realised I was connecting it to my isolation transformer. So I plugged it into a main socket and it tripped out the mains. And the reason was that one of the mains wires coming in was like worn and shorted against the like the iron laminated core of the transformer where it went to a connector over the top. Or was it burnt? So it was short. So it was shorting to ground on either the live or neutral.
Yeah, but when you have
an isolation transformer, it doesn't matter. So in that case, having an isolation transformer actually prevented me from finding the fault.
Yeah.
But I would say yes. If you're working on power supplies, then yes.
Yeah. Are you working on general electronics and stuff like low power stuff? You don't need
You don't
one.
need it.
It's good to have. I wouldn't say no to a free one.
I show the people what we're
Yeah.
what we're taking care
We
of.
have a
here,
crowd.
Look at this, we have a crowd. You're on YouTube.
Are they dancing now? They're doing the Macarena. They're now doing the Macarena.
No, it's completely dead now.
You killed it.
Yeah.
Let's get the battery.
Yep.
Okay.
Let's rip it for parts. So probably something wrong with the motherboard somewhere.
I would guess it can't boot, so it's somewhere the firmware got
Yeah,
really corrupted and then it can't boot anymore.
It can't even go to the factory reset. So bye bye.
Okay. Let's start.
Yeah, go for your thingy.
Macarena? No, I want macaroni. You have a good one, Am.
Yeah, I want some macaroni too. That sounds good,
man,
actually.
we need to do an Heilebon episode where we get to give stuff to the kids. Something.
Yeah.
Some electronic
No,
pieces.
so jalapenos.
Really? I was giving them microcontrollers or something. So they can learn something. Man.
Okay, I guess. Give them the helicopter to fly around with camera.
Oh yeah, come on, we bring some helicopters.
They would love that, actually. Okay, and I'm just going to take off the ribbon here, so I can slide this underneath. I don't want to break this thing even if it is broken. I don't know why. It's a strange thing I do. There we go. Battery is glued on.
Oh, of course.
Obviously.
Alcohol.
So, alcohol, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have
Alcohol is a
some?
solution.
I have some alcohol, yeah, I have a beer.
Yeah. Go for
Corona
it.
Cerveza, that's alcohol.
I'll drink the IPA then.
Actually, funny enough, you say you should drink the IPA, because IPA is actually India Pale Ale.
Yeah.
Oh.
It is. IPA, India Pale Ale. They're still dancing, they're still doing the Macarena out
I
here.
think we have a camera facing out. Poor kids.
Yeah, let's put the camera at them.
Yeah, they're happy with very little. Okay, I can feel the glue. So, main part, these batteries, don't bend them.
Oh yeah, please, yeah.
Don't,
Yeah.
If you're taking one of these off, don't bend them.
I do have a fire extinguisher in the office, workshop.
Hmm?
I do have a fire extinguisher in the
Yeah.
workshop.
We are safe here.
Lawndock says that test benches, generally speaking, are not built in when they take some time to collect equipment for the
Correct.
jobs.
Yeah,
correct.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah.
And you
Yeah.
will notice you're missing something when you need it.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Believe
Yeah.
me,
Yeah.
I still do that. And of course, my workshop is nothing compared to Richard's.
Robert, welcome to the show. Did you read my comment?
Dental floss.
Yeah, that
dental
works.
floss would
Great.
work. Yeah,
You don't-
absolutely. Yeah.
I usually use fishing wire.
I have
that-
something
yeah.
like that.
You have fishing wire?
Something very similar.
Yeah, go for it. Give it to me. And
Okay.
I'll show them the technique then.
Yeah.
You don't need the markings, right?
See, people learn something. I think red is the plus one.
Yeah. And you know it's a one cell, so I think you're fine.
Nasty battery runaway. Luckily not. Luckily we came away, but actually I have some lipos lying around. We're always talking about doing a live stream at Carlos' backyard, and we thought, just kill some lipos there because we
I
don't
have
want to do
some
this
sand,
indoor. Yeah.
and I have sand.
Yeah, you have sand. This is good. Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah. And I'm with you there. Pinesol for life. Yeah, I don't need these expensive other tools. Yeah, Pinesol were great. Yeah.
Yeah, I have a big bench, so I went with a cheapo Chinese station,
Yeah.
but
Cathode,
not
yeah.
needed.
I poked the battery with metal and it started heating up. Oh yeah. Then you simply drop it in the explosive containment
And
dish
go far away.
run and put it somewhere outside. Let it run and
you can't extinguish those fires.
You can't.
So don't even try.
everything above 150 degrees in there produces oxygen, and so it keeps burning even underwater.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, ask the fire department how they like Teslas.
Yeah. This is the only way. Leave them burning. Yeah, you can't do anything with that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you got the somebody and has a explosion containment pie dish. Yep. You should have that one working with batteries.
It's okay, Rich. I can take it off without it.
I can't find it.
Yeah, I'm guessing that
I
was
can't find
the case. Okay, I go with the pick because they put the glue strips up exactly on the corners. Yeah,
Okay.
I can saw it off with.
I'm not sure where it is. I would have thought.
You really don't do this for the first time. Nice.
I couldn't find it.
All right.
And you have a cell.
I have a battery. Yay! Thank you very much.
No, technically you have a cell, because it's a single cell.
Yeah.
A battery is more than one, is that right?
Yeah.
A battery is more than one cell.
Yeah, that's what a battery of soldiers is. A lot of soldiers.
Yeah, correct.
And a what's this? A drum set in Spanish. Right?
Oh, yeah, battery.
Yeah.
A battery is a drum set.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
And it also a battery.
there's also a battery. Yeah, but a pilas is a battery. also.
Pilas is the small cylindrical batteries.
Okay.
But batteria you call a big
Okay.
car battery.
Thank you. I did wonder why pilas or battery is both battery.
It's different for the different kinds.
Hey.
Yeah. That was accidental, I think. Okay, do you want the lid on this, or you want it open to explore?
I think this is gone.
Yeah, it
Do
is.
you have use for the parts?
Nope, not
For the
even.
screen or something?
Nope.
I think Anne said something about you could connect a Raspberry Pi. to
Yeah,
it.
you can. But the interface for these things are the multi-pin connector, parallel, You have to drive them in parallel pretty much.
Okay.
Yeah, LVDS or MIPS or something it's called. MIPI. There we go.
Okay.
The MIPI drive. So you need a driver for it.
Yeah,
And
I'm not patient enough to do
No,
something
you
like
can
that.
do it because it has the ribbon, it has everything, and it has the backlight cable. So it is useful if you want to use it, obviously. And it has microphones, cameras you can take off. This camera is loose practically here. See?
Yeah.
yeah,
So you can take off a lot of parts here and use them.
you have the wrong
device.
camera to see that.
Oh yeah, so there we go. It has a small camera here you can take off. It's actually pretty loose. It's a ribbon there as well. It has actually two cameras. It has this one, but this one is on a different
Yeah,
board.
and this is here MIPI DSI.
Yeah, exactly. The Arduino library has a MIPI driver, I know, but you need to make a special connector to interface with the ribbon.
So I'm out here. Because
Yeah, no, you can
Um,
desolder the ribbon connector, I guess.
you know my secret identity.
You can buy
It's
those.
Mr. Impatience Man, right?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
It-
so
it's-
not for me.
It's too much work. I rather
you
go
can buy
for
those
a
connectors.
Yeah. I have a box full actually for TVs.
Uh-huh.
They
Yeah.
break readily.
On the T-Con board.
Judge,
Yeah.
I think they should be scared. Look at my T-shirt. They should be scared.
Yeah, I should go serial killers.
Yeah, and Richard is even scarier today. You're the tame one today.
yeah, I am. That's,
Wait, who's got the one with Schrodinger's cat? Schrodinger is
yeah,
dead.
yeah. It's at home.
Londok asked, Rich calls that, how often have you come across a battery that seems to have voltage but having a problem delivering current for the device? And
Well,
needs to be
okay,
replaced?
so what's going on there is the
Oh,
internal resistance of the battery is very high, because when you connect a battery to a circuit, it forms a voltage divider between the resistance of the battery internally and the device externally. So in actual fact, when you measure something like an AA cell, and you read a low voltage, that actually is not true. The cell always provides the same voltage, but the internal resistance goes so high that even your multimeter at 10 megaohms forms a voltage divide with it and shows a lower voltage. So because it's a chemical process, the cell voltage never changes, only the internal resistance increases.
You had that with your car battery.
Correct.
it cranked very slowly. It cranked, but the voltage was fine. It was 13 volts. Yeah, it should be. But we changed the battery, and lo and behold, it works.
Yeah. Exactly. So that's true. Oh, we didn't know that. Yeah, that's actually true, Carter. It's because it's a chemical process. If you think about it, the cell voltage can't change because the chemical process is the same.
It can change if you get dendrites that short the plates and stuff.
The ionic resistance. Yeah, exactly. The internal resistance of the battery becomes so high that with your multimeter you read a lower voltage.
There are different failure modes, though.
Oh, Wolf the Orwell T-shirt.
Orwell?
Yeah. Steve. Yeah. Make Orwell fiction again.
Yeah, okay. The ionic resistance.
Iconic resistance?
Iconic.
Effective total resistance.
Yeah. This is why when you see the schematic of a battery, normally when you get a replacement diagram, I'm translating it from Germany, you get the battery itself and then a little resistor behind this. This is the internal resistance.
That's for calculating very delicate stuff.
If you're going for lipos, for racing cars, there are different classes here. They're all the same lipos, but they have a maximum current that they can deliver.
Yeah.
And this is directly proportional to the internal
Usually
resistance.
called the C rating for the
C
lipos.
rating, thank you.
We know stuff sometimes.
No, that's true.
We're not only sitting here drinking beer. Well, most of
In
the time
the
we
UK,
are.
we are living
let's
it.
see. And
What Rich is referring to is there's a chemical potential between the chemical parts. As I say, yes, thank you, Anna. Yeah, the actual potential isn't the same at the terminals. It is actually the potential is the same at the terminals if you had something with a high enough impedance to read it.
Yeah, okay, fine.
This is why a multimeter normally tells you, oh, this is full, and then you
And
put some load on it, and the voltage.
Yeah, and she's right.
Yeah.
So you're right. Good explanation.
It's got high internal resistance too. I have a little board here. Should we look at this?
Oh yeah, the reverse engineering
Oh yeah,
challenge.
you maybe want to get this into full screen, please. Also, people don't want to see
sorry,
the OBS thing there.
Yeah. Don't want to show behind the scenes too much.
How it all works. Okay, so what we have here, if you count those LM339s,
This future?
LN339D.
these are quad comparators.
Okay.
And count how many chips there are.
Let's see, 2, 4, 6.
Are there 6 on the board?
I think so, 7.
What do you
Count them again. How many you got?
339, this is the comparator?
Quad comparator.
3, yeah, 6.
The 6. So,
Yeah.
so there's 4 comparators in each. 6 times 4 is 24.
24, yeah.
If you flick it over, how many LEDs have you got?
Let's see, 5, 5, 24.
Yeah, you'll find there's actually an extra one, but I think it's just an on indicator.
Which one?
I think that you find there's actually 13 on each side. But
There
2
are.
of them are actually.
Wait a sec. Oh yeah, right. There are more. There is one in the middle. Okay, I didn't count that one.
Okay, well, yeah, but in actual fact, one of these I think is just an on power
Look
indicator.
at the red one. The red one
Yeah,
looks
this
like
one.
it's on.
Yeah, yeah. So you've got effectively 12 and 12. So what you must have here, as far as I can see it, is there's 24 comparators,
Yeah.
there's 24 LEDs, 2 sets of 12. So what this must do, it must feed a variable voltage in on one of these pins. And then there must be like a ladder of resistors. So each comparator, one pin is connected to the input voltage, and the other pin is connected to a resistor and a ladder. You can see all
Yeah,
these
this is
resistors.
a ladder down there. Yeah.
See all these ladders along here.
Yeah.
All these funny, all these resistors. And I think there's some more on that side.
It simply compares the output voltage, and
So,
these
yeah.
are comparable.
Yeah, and-
springs, not like shift resistors. They are like op amps, but they don't. This is you want to use them like an op amp.
Shall I
You're
say
not
what-
used to them as a comparator. A comparator simply gives you output high or low.
Shall I tell you what the difference is between a comparator and an
Go
op
for
amp?
it.
Okay, they're both the same thing, but an op amp has a totem pole output, so it can drive the output positive or negative.
Thank you.
And a comparator has an open collector output.
Have a good week, my friend.
So yeah, so it's an op amp with an open collector output, which can either be on or off.
See you, Dutch.
So that's, anyway, so what I was thinking is it wouldn't be too difficult, I would have thought, to reverse engineer this, because all you must have is ground and power, and
Just-
then an input. I don't
Just
think.
check the traces. Which one goes to the
Yeah,
first resistor?
I don't think most of these traces I don't think go anywhere.
Yeah, no, just one or two. Let's see. Yeah, these two that go directly to the resistors, the ones on the
Yeah,
right.
so you'll have a left and right audio coming in,
Yeah, exactly.
and then you'll have a power and ground.
Yep, and you have those two on the left side.
That's what pretty much. Oh, and then there'll be 2 more which light up the LEDs, which are the indicators.
Yeah,
that
the
things are on.
power. But that could be the power and ground that do that.
Yeah, so I think you've got 4 signals. I think you've got ground and power.
Yeah, okay, I see
You've
that.
got
Yeah.
the two signals that drive those 2 other LEDs,
Mm-hmm.
and then you've got audio in left and right. I think that's as
But
simple as
there
that.
are more traces than that. Okay.
Count them.
So these two are used.
Okay, so let's
These two are used.
Okay.
And this one as well, because they have their own traces that go up here. And these are power and ground.
that middle one doesn't go anywhere. Oh, it does. It goes to ground.
It goes to ground right
Here.
here.
Oh.
Yeah, up
There.
there. Yeah. So this is grounded. This is not power and grounded.
No, I think 2 of them drive the extra LEDs, the
Yeah, but
13th
this
LED.
goes to the resistor ladder.
Yeah, and then the other 2 drive the 13th LED, I think,
Okay, yeah, that could be.
on each side. Well, anyway, my question was, this is so simple with just a ladder of comparators and some resistors. Is this a better solution than using the microcontroller to do that?
No. It's probably faster than microcontroller.
Well, yeah,
because
there's no way it is.
it's instant. So I'm guessing it's more responsive. That's my guess, at least.
I'm with you there.
Yeah, John Richards, op-amp designed for continuous analog signal processing, comparator use of fast binary decision making.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd go along with that, but if you've ever looked, John, you will see that the comparators all have open collector or open drain outputs, and the op-amps have like a totem pole type.
Yes, this is what you're saying. Binary
Yeah.
decision making.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
It's that, yeah.
Other words, same thing.
Otherwise, same thing, yeah. Yeah, it is a VU emitter from a mix of springs. It's exactly
Old
what
school,
it is.
expensive to make. Exactly, Paul. I would agree with that. A microcontroller will get very close to what the specs of this thing is. Of course, this is instant.
You would get when you go for component count, the microcontroller wins.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Across the board, and even in cost.
You can do this as a Charlieplex thing, so you don't have.
I'm pretty sure the six comparators cost more than a microcontroller.
Yeah, they do probably.
And then the resistor ladders.
So
and stuff.
Charlieplex to get away with a lot of things here.
Why would you need to do that? Oh, look, this says power up here. Can you see here?
It says power.
It says power. So I think the top two are the power, or the bottom two are power.
Yeah.
It looks like well, you got all the green and yellow, red. So that must be the peak. I think the two are power.
With a micro, you don't need the R to R later.
Yeah, exactly. It does everything in software. Of course, it's slower. So this is instant.
But this is for humans, so
yeah. So
slow for a machine is a different thing.
Yeah. We won't see the difference.
John says logic chips are more fun. I actually love these analog type things because you can see exactly how it works.
Yeah, John. From a how to explain the thing is this way easier.
Yeah.
If we want to do this in a smart way with a micro. You need to do a lot of tricksy things.
Well, yeah, you need an A to DC,
well,
analog to digital converter.
ADCs are
they're inbuilt in.
a dime a dozen in a micro.
Yeah, I know, but I think you got to mess around to get the right frequency response, the right kind of. So like the thing isn't flicking around all over the place.
You can just put a buffer so it slows down. So yeah, no, there's no real reason not to do it with a micro nowadays. But of course, analog circuitry it could be different.
I'm wondering if I found a modern mixer, it would actually still use this technique.
It's instant.
Well, and from a point of view where I say, Anna says, the logic based ones make sense for a pro audio amp. They're much easier to troubleshoot and the spot on and mess
about with
on the spot and mess about with. Yeah, probably, but. Again, there would be the bean counters coming in and tell you, well, it's way cheaper to use a microcontroller for that.
Yeah, so and the micro can be used for other things as well inside. So
is this a TL431 voltage reference? Because obviously the resistor ladder needs a reference voltage.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's a transistor. Okay.
And the other side, same. Right?
Same.
Yeah.
PMP transistors.
But it needs a voltage reference. You're right. But it could take that from the connector.
Well, the connector, if the connector voltage coming in is stabilized anyway, you know.
The kids are really distracting. Sorry, Marcel.
Yeah, we can't do anything.
Next time we bring the whip.
Yeah, we're not allowed to chase them away too much because there is a church nearby.
Yeah, it's a sect.
Oh yeah, God might come after you.
Yeah. Oh yeah, sure.
In fact, karma and stuff.
Yeah, I'm so afraid. Let's not go into religion because I won't win out here. I have my own views.
Me too.
Yeah. I don't discuss politics and religion in my channel for a reason.
Cheers.
Okay, so how much longer we got at time? Yeah, we want to play with these.
You could do a 20 minutes quest us everything. Ask us anything.
Yeah, good. Go for it.
Let's do ask us anything.
Open questions. What do you want to know? You can ask about us as well if you want to. I wouldn't, but.
True.
Oh, smart you. It's very hard to be scared of God when you don't believe it exists.
Yeah, exactly.
You cannot fear anything that doesn't exist. Problem solved.
Dutch says I got a DB power bar with 40 LEDs per channel. Wow.
Oh.
It has only one op amp and 90 transistors. Okay, and it's flying in this. So 1 LED per channel nice looks like a okay.
Yeah, it sounds cool. But 90 transistors is a little overkill.
Why does it have 90 transistors?
Instead of using a lot of op amps or comparators and stuff.
Yeah,
macaroni with cheese or tomato sauce. Come on, here comes the question.
Cheese.
It would be cheaper with comparators.
Macaroni with cheese or with tomato sauce?
Both.
Cheese.
Both.
Yeah, both work.
Come on, everything's better with cheese on it.
Yeah, true. Cheese is universal.
Yeah.
Okay, I had a friend that.
Does Gran Canaria have a Halloween parade? Do we have a Halloween parade?
Yes, it's called Noche de los Muertos.
Yeah.
True. Yeah.
Noche de los Muertos. Not only do we have a Halloween parade, but we have a bank holiday for it.
Yep.
So we have a public holiday for not in the last wear test on the day afterwards, and it's called All Saints Day.
All Saints Day. Yeah.
And when I first moved here, I thought, oh, why have they got a public holiday for like a girl band? Because
Yeah.
Saints.
All Saints is a girl band.
Yeah,
So I
it
thought,
is.
why do they have a public holiday for
Tons of people
I knew they have a
all
holiday.
Yeah.
I knew they have a holiday for anything, but a holiday for a girl band. Wow. Yes, so yes we have or Dia the Lost. Well, it's not the Lost.
Yeah, not sure of what.
The only alien asks you, when stroke are you from, Richard? I don't know what you
I was born in Blurton. No, I was born in Heron Cross. I lived in Blurton all my younger life, and then when I got married, I moved to Normacott, so south of Stoke-on-Trent.
Blurton sounds like a fake city.
BLURTO. Yeah. I went to Blurton High School, and I went to Fenton Sixth Form College.
Okay.
Okay, what else we got?
Cartha is, why did they design the stupid cap that you can't remove on soda bottle?
He means this.
This is a question nobody can answer.
The reason they designed this is because whoever did it didn't ask the consumer what they wanted.
Yeah, pretty
Point
much.
proven.
Yeah, because this is so you don't lose the cap. Actually, the cap contains as much plastic as the entire bottle. If you do.
Oh, if you wait.
Yeah, and so they didn't lose the bottles for recycling. They did this stupid thing.
But
have you tried to drink this and the
Yeah.
cap goes there and
Yeah.
it goes everywhere? Yeah.
It's because they had no representation of the consumer when they made the decision.
Yeah, but
Or there are some stupid people who agree with us.
the funny part is Coca-Cola did it quite right because it snaps and stays. All the other brands fucked up and it swivels around.
Yeah.
So Cola put in the research.
And
the
it's
rest
curious, what time do you guys eat tea or supper over there?
Normally, okay, Canarians eat late.
Very late.
Very late.
At 9, 10 o'clock.
9, 10, 11 o'clock is normal for Canarians eating
At
out.
night.
Yeah.
Certainly after 9.
Yeah.
I normally eat at 8.
7, 8 here.
I'm
as well.
8, I'm 8, so I'll eat at 8.
7 mostly because the kid is really hungry at that time after.
But normally, Canarians eat late.
Yeah. In Sweden we ate at 5 or 6.
A lot of people in the UK did, but I ate at 8 because I had a shop, and the shop my computer shop didn't close till 6. So I always got into this habit of eating about 8 because I wouldn't.
Usually you had to hurry home because all the shops close at 5. You end your shift because you run to the shop to get something and then go home.
Next question.
Yeah.
Only smoking out of shortened components might change your mind. Okay, Busnum, I don't get this.
Gordon. No, I'm not from Boslam. I'm a neck ender. Yeah. I'm a neck ender. Boslam, there's a town that's a great called Burslem. I really call it Boslam. It's just like a slang. No, I'm a neck ender, mate. Right, carry on.
Okay, next.
Are you going dressing up? Yes.
For the Halloween.
If you look on the Grand Canary Uncovered channel from last year on Halloween, you can see me dressed up.
We probably can find the video for that.
I'll find the video for that, yeah. So, Grand Canary Uncovered. You do the next question while I find it.
Okay, Anne is now
it doesn't work. What?
justified for getting macaroni with curry salmon sauce with cheese on top. Go for it, girl.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah, I wanted macaronis, so I got macaronis from the local pasta place. Yeah, perfect. Will you guys design a DB power bar with a logic processor or something as a fun project? Oof.
Is there any fun in that?
This is where I was going. What's the fun in there? So for me, as a personal, this doesn't sound like any fun. For I wouldn't use it.
We have no use for it.
I have no use for this, man.
That's the problem, Dutch.
Yeah. So I'd probably be the one doing some layout work, but
It's not working.
Richard is dying over there.
I'll find it, but the computer seems to have just
By
lost
reflex, he went to AliExpress, of course.
No internet.
No, there's no internet.
Yeah. Even if I know there is.
It says there's no internet.
Just scroll away.
Okay, questions.
So, Dutch, sorry for that. I don't think that we're going to do that. And there's a lot of questions now, so I'm working here.
Okay, good.
With a growing focus on energy efficiency and miniaturization in modern electronics, how are the advancements in semiconductor technology, particularly in GaN and SiC components? With a,
Yeah, those are two.
with the growing focus on energy efficient and miniaturization
so
of electronics. Yeah.
The-
Well, I
Yeah.
see GAN all over the place because when you look at PD and USB 3.1.
Yeah, I don't actually know what it means. Is it gallium arsenide or something?
Yeah, gallium arsenide. Yeah.
Or something like that.
So yeah, this probably will a lot, and I really hope we must get way more efficient in our
energy efficiency.
Yeah.
They're already on 2 versions above that in microprocessors and stuff. They're using that in FinFETs. So they are actually replacing FinFETs with something else for transistors and stuff. So we're going for lower power consumption on everything.
Well, this is the intro I did back in the day.
Yeah, I'm just going to try and find me dressed up.
There
Oh,
you
I'm
go.
here. I'm here.
You're in there.
Okay.
Okay. I'll bring you over to the other channel, to the other
Just
other
a
machine guys. So
Quick Richard reveal.
and then he went out of camp.
I'll be on.
Yeah.
Right, go.
You're on. So.
It's playing.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
It's playing.
No, it's playing.
Now it's playing. Okay. Okay. So
Read the Latin. Read the Latin, please, guys.
Semper bonum spectat. Tantum.
Oh yeah, and then you're missing out Michael Jackson's Thriller. Yeah.
I know.
Yeah,
but,
no,
but
don't
yeah.
do that.
So this is what Halloween is like here.
Monetization.
Not in Los Muertos. So yes, people dress up. So there I am.
I'm scrolling down a bit, guys.
Okay. Those who wanted to see, there I am. So that's how we dress up for Halloween around here.
Or even worse. If you
Yeah,
go to
or
Jumbo
even worse,
Center, Jumbo Center has some surprises you don't want to see.
Wait, it's on this. It's on this video,
Not
guys.
another fisting marathon.
Yeah.
Oh, not the 50. Oh no. Okay, questions. What else do we have?
Oh wait, I lost.
He lost
here.
track.
Yeah,
There
I
we
lost
go.
track. Mike says the LM3914 is an LED
Yes,
drive, and those computers and one chip.
Yes.
10 LEDs are stackable. Yeah, this is
I
probably
have
my
some of
LED
those
tray.
chips
Yeah.
here. I actually have some of those here.
Yeah.
And I remember them coming out towards the end of the 70s and thinking they were fantastic. Practical Electronics magazine showed this thing, and I built some blog graphs.
Electronics magazines. That's
What
a
else we
while
got?
ago.
And says for the caps anti-littering and anti-consumer, but the caps get in a way of drinking. Yeah, they
Yep.
do. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
I
exactly
hate
my
those
point.
caps, yeah, people all over the place hate these
Hate
things. All over the world. Yeah.
That was
Yeah.
one person that wanted a bonus for thinking outside the box, and then he didn't ask the consumers.
Yeah.
Richard was right.
Yeah, it didn't ask us, yeah.
Yeah.
But how did they get all the manufacturers to go along with it?
Uh,
Why did you just say shut off
They just put a law for recycling.
in certain places? But it's not only the EU.
Yeah.
But it's in the UK, and they've taken control, so it's up to them what they do for starters. So why do they have them?
Because they're stupid.
Yeah.
They follow.
There's a life hack from Anna. I usually snap off one side so the one side remains, and use it will maybe we'll try
like
this.
this.
What is?
Look, life hack.
Good idea.
Yeah. Todd says very interested in the hot tweezers. Seems like a very valuable tool.
Yeah, they're on the way.
Yeah, hot tweezers are make life so much easier for miniature components.
Yeah.
How much watt it costs the power resistor to fully open?
I think we put 70 into
yeah,
one, didn't
there
we?
was 70 watts for a 10 watt resistor. So
And it certainly opened.
Yeah,
It certainly
it's,
opened.
Oh yeah.
sorry, yeah.
It's where-
that went away.
If you want to make sure double the rating.
I'll tell you what though, on the next video, would you like us to try this if we take like say a 10 watt resistor and see what it can actually handle before it goes?
Yeah.
What do you reckon, guys?
Usually the specs are quite lenient, and a double usually is okay.
Yeah, but I have.
Yeah, you have a few, right?
Well, I have here some of these.
But those won't glow.
These are called golden droppers, so these are 1 ohm or 2 ohm I have here. 100 watt. Shall we see if they can handle 100 watt in the next live stream?
Yeah, sure, but you need a metal casing or something to
Bolt
put
it
them
to
on.
metal. Okay.
Yeah, because that will be glowing hot.
Okay, so well, yeah, let's find out how much wattage causes a power resistant. That's a fantastic idea, Paul T, for the next broadcast. Great,
Okay.
yeah. What else we got?
have any patents? So I don't know this of you guys.
Do I have any patents?
Yeah.
No, I don't have any patents.
No.
I have some good ideas. If someone wants to bankroll me.
Here in Belgium, most people between, what's this, all these times, 8 and 9, 5 and 7. Oh,
This is
eating.
from the eating thing,
yeah.
Yeah, this is, you can tell how far I'm behind here.
What else we got?
Yeah. Do you practice the siesta? Actually, did
Absolutely. Yeah,
Absolutely.
I had a siesta today.
I did, but involuntarily. My back.
I don't practice siesta. I know exactly how to do it. I'm an expert.
It's kind of nice just taking a quick nap during the day. It is actually.
Yeah, siesta is really good. Annie, always had fun and fair.
Oh yeah, there's something for you,
for me.
Carlos. Yeah, how's integration of AI impacting the design and functionality of embedded systems in modern electronics?
Oh yeah,
This is yours.
Okay, so AI can do practically anything you can do, and you can actually omit chips and stuff. So you can actually make the design cheaper just training an AI for a specific task and removing components. It can actually do a job of a lot. I'm experimenting with a ESP32 because it has AI cores inside the core. It has some AI functions, and I'm trying to run local AIs on that to convert video live on the fly. So, and if the ESP32 is powerful enough for that, yeah, you will see it on everything pretty much, because ESP32 is a €3 something micro.
With 240 megahertz of run.
Yeah. I have the 2-core one just in case, but yeah. So you will see a huge boom in AI technology in microcontrollers and embedded systems.
Oh, great.
It's really easy to put them in there because the libraries convert down and make it, instead of using floating points, they use integers, and the model just shrinks something insane. Yeah, okay. Next.
How about experiments with motors to generate electricity from Dutch Linux?
Oh,
Okay.
well, yeah,
Of
that
course
should
it's
work.
Dutch. Of
Yeah,
course,
yeah.
this is one of those.
Any electric motor is a generator.
Correct.
Yeah, so you spin it instead of letting it spin with
I
electricity.
don't have any motors here.
I have some small ones. at
Oh,
home.
we might have some out of old CD players and things.
I do have some at home.
Okay.
That would be good for that.
Okay.
Low RPM.
Oh, there's one for me from the Only Alien. Pico or Arduino? Which one would you guys use? I think one of the last videos I did on my channel was a CPU selection help somewhere there. If you say Arduino, this is probably including Pico because well, it's in there too, and this all depends highly on what you want to do. So this is not an easy thing. Only Alien, maybe you want to check out my channel.
To start learning, I would say Arduino based.
For learning, yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Get one of the cheaper Arduino things.
Yeah,
and
exactly that.
play around with them for 2 weeks, and when you're done with that,
Picos are a little more rigid in their designs and stuff.
Well, they came pretty late to the party.
Yeah.
So for an Arduino, there's way more information out there.
Yeah,
and for a learner, for a beginner, I'd go always for Arduino. Go for the
I would agree with that. That's how I learned.
It's the easiest platform for now,
Correct,
and there's so much information.
Current Tessie Vintage Limited Get I've repaired. What is that?
They're made here in the UK. 800 new.
Oh, is it limited? Is this an audio limiter? Springs?
Probably it is.
For 800 pounds. Woof. That's one pricey little thing.
Richard looked scary. Yeah, it was a full moon. I'd say good evening.
I'm surprised you didn't go
Halloween,
as a
the
werewolf.
celebrators being pissed off by the smallest of pumpkin decorations. So tradition, we love being grumpy.
Oh my god.
No. Halloween here is a party.
Yeah, no.
Everything is a party.
Everything here is a party.
Pretty much. They had a fisting marathon, for God's sake.
A fisting marathon, exactly.
Cheers.
And that was a party for some.
Crying out loud.
Yeah, for the ones involved, I don't know, really.
Well, it depends if you're on the receiving end.
Yeah.
Okay, we won't go into that. We won't go into that. We've got, Okay, nothing.
Before you ask, no, we didn't go.
No.
Practical Electronics. That was my first electronics magazine, about 1973 or something.
That's way before my time. So.
Just actually for practical electronics, the whole thing is online.
Correct.
Nowadays,
yeah. And there was two magazines. There was Practical Electronics and Everyday Electronics. So Everyday Electronics was more the beginners one. And Practical Electronics. And I used to get both.
The only magazine I bought was the C64 one with the programs.
Eric, we're pretty much all over the place. Ask us anything. For the next 2 minutes, we're nearly done here.
Where did you get a t-shirt, Richard? Off that. Detlef, was this from AliExpress?
This is AliExpress. Of
AliExpress,
course,
if you want to, just email us, we'll give you the link.
It's cool. I like it. I get stopped in the street.
Paul
for
T,
the-
it isn't a 4-wire power resistor. We've tested it. It's a 100 ohm resistor, 2-wire, and it has a built-in like mechanical springy thermal fuse.
Yeah. Okay, let's see.
ETI magazine, I don't know. What's the next one?
3.5mm jacks to USB-C. Oh yeah, there we go. What about converting different connectors like 3.5mm jack to USB-C? There are actually converters already in the market.
Okay.
I was wondering if the steps usually get through when making adapters. I'm going to make adapters for old video game console video signals to SCART using HDMI as the link between. So that's the same process pretty much, because I have to limit some current and stuff going to the TV.
Wow, there's some interesting detail. Anna's born in 2001. You're probably one of the youngest viewers we have
She
here.
is probably the youngest. I think Carter is a little
30 something.
Yeah, he's really close.
Marcel, we'll test this on the next video, so we'll see how much cover we need to get into it to pop the fuse. And then it's resettable. So we'll do this next time.
You can just solder it again.
We'll do it next time.
Carter, you're not the youngest anymore.
Yeah.
Yes, my friend.
Okay, guys, we're on time.
And with this, it's time.
It's time to go take it easy for us.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Have a good 2 weeks and see you in 2 weeks.
2 weeks, that's a lot.
Next week I'm still
John
there.
wants you to use mains voltage on.
We probably will need mains voltages.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have a good one, guys.
Cheers.
See you.
Bye.